mbere KEPHIS mbure KEPHIS ni yeto KEPHIS ni Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Service. Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Service KEPHIS ni a state agency ila yika state service ila yithora AK Ministry ya Agriculture and Livestock Development. We are a regulator. Regulator ni babe dhwa kiolelia standards. KEPHIS neo yithora ili osu Kenya kana internationally they recognized like plant protection organization. So mantu yonde ya konenien kaya watene na mantu ya imera. KEPHIS ni the point of reference also kwa dunia. Tuzo members ba on behalf of the government ya Kenya tukirungamira protocols, a number of protocols. Yote ito hapo UPOF, OECD, na ingine also WTO mwana you are trained. So KEPHIS mandate yayo either ina mandate KEPHIS mandated in the Act of Parliament ya 2012 lakini the in existence kuma 1997 au na KEPHIS mandate yayo mbere ni mantu kolele mantu ya phytosanitary phyto ni phytosanitary ni also ni plant of the phyto ni plant then sanitary ni about health. KEPHIS no idoro iri also organization ni register plant breeders. So ni bo vitu zote na mandate ya kolele process ya preparation ka process ya kubuithia mbeu cia kuanda. KEPHIS ne isasify mbeu etigiria mbeu ni tite process ile kwendekana ni tikirwete kimurimi. Yontonde yao na inkwirare mibethe ba IKEAF kuolelia mbeu iro kuanda ni burita kwitho ina signage ka ina label ya KEPHIS. Na ndukero kura mbeu ni burita kwithena ina label ya KEPHIS irere ya nuntu KEPHIS regulator neo na mbeu ira murimi ya kwenderua nere kulukite standard ira mwene ura mugwithia mbeu au wite ni bibirite gwithaikari ku KEPHIS ni teka inspect munda yo kwanda mbeu ika inspect mbeu uraiko andwa ika inspect ura ciukura na ika inspect uta process ire bwirite niguo ntutu twatu na laboratories twina mahabara ira eta osu ya kuthima mbeu wa mini lab ire ndira na mantu wa mbeu na nerungamirite ithweri reference lab then East and Central Africa in Nakuru. So you mandate inge KEPHIS. KEPHIS ringi ni dhura iri agency ya thirikari ira yithura itetheria administration na enforcement ya mantu ya watene na food safety. Although kwe acting ile ya food ya mantu wa food safety so mandate ya maingi KEPHIS ikatheri moya agencies ile ikethe isangia kana itetheria kuolelia bia kurabira bikura no ntukenyi tu na thina itu protector KEPHIS na agency babangi ba protector no bia kurabira bitanja lakini watho butitho bwina strength ya wikira KEPHIS yithirwa no iteka wata mtu agenda senyanya imbi kana itunguru bibie na ndawa asemeka singwetio. But it is something kumanduta KEPHIS between kifaiti tukona seria ngere ko act one of the things kwenda kwa the KEPHIS mbere itarako reta siasa ne kinya ni kuolelia legislation na ara kutina nguvu ite oyani tubuithia seria lesi umbote theria kumenyera no karia mukenya. So number 4 KEPHIS undwa number 3 ya mandu ya ndagwa ya administration and enforcement ya food safety. KEPHIS ringi ni dhura iri facilitator kana iri ikifacilitate mantu ya trained yara KEPHIS ne arasia ikandikira kethe China barua ya bera tuina kawa tukwenda gwenderia tuina mayani tukwenda gwenderia tuina mira tukwenda gwenderia tuina avocado tukwenda gwenderia kana pineapple kana mbi any plant product to andikira agency ire China na actually last month but one day China kuthoma mantu yau ya phytosanitary ya quarantine plant quarantine and whatever for 2 weeks so waita watiri mariu ke tuka kaketha indire ingi twabandikira no batwandikira batura kenda bwendia ina conditions ici bugurite gubwithia na tutoya tukandiru na agencies irengi onto AFA Agriculture and Food Authority kethe ni counties departments ya agriculture twabera kenda tumba kwende product iyi condition ni si kwendekana so tutethera sena tugatha twiki kamitira ya WTO kaya wandi tulinda wanaison ile ndira na manto ya product ke manto ya phytosanitary ke fees ne ayana passport ya mimera wetanja ke the product ni titenja ke fees must give you a phytosanitary certificate without phytosanitary into TV bitike ruanja ini every day ke fees ni inspector 80 million pieces of flowers kanamo every day Isuma Kenya ituma pana duniani kadha ni avocado kadha ni anything going out of Kenya no tie mimera naomba kuya Kenya ke fishi tekweta kintu gitwa PIP plant import permit yo witikiria wiya either ni mbeu either ni plant product nuntu mbere no nyato ndiro na ndira tukabwithe kintu gitwa PRA tukabwithia pest risk analysis ya kuona nango tie kintu aturete nuntu the main mandate ya kefis osin and done nira yote theria ku protect the Kenyan agriculture tutikareke pest and diseases mandingi especially ite Kenya si ya Kenya kuuto myandira mbuguthe na mirimo twabera kenda biya buturiti una kana interview tutetigeria biya Kenya nuntu biya Kenya byombo turetera mirimo byomba kuthukia agriculture kana nya forestry ka bia bingi kefisi ringi ni dora iri part ya ngure ya mantu ya mbeu ku inspect kwa na nya baroa ka permit ya kuendia mbeu suitu tatu ka inspect ndukera agrovet tukora ni meet conditions ya mbeu na itu tayari ndi tuite kuambiria campaign yoeta tukiliungara agrovet kenda tuona mbeu ira bekite niraiguirite itike kuthukangia kwa dia mbeu actually like I thank God manduta kefis intongore tiendo eu kurana kateos kurana ndo abenda sia fixings no ke akolele tu alanje extending nya Kenya productivity ni ongerekete nuntu mbeu ni very important kiri urimi
so unataka kumaanisha tia agrovet chende chetu sitekele tukuendelea
ke agudete na baro kefis une fake nuntu ke thegenda sia mbeu ituburite kwa kisabo mbere mbeura kwendwe sawa na mazingira ya kwendirwe ni sawa kendo tige kwendia antu mbeu expired na hivyo muntu akiura mbeu uburite kwa mbeu ina kanembo kaka kefis na umuyithira ina antu os crash umba ku crash ukarita namba era confidential wa mituma ki 1393 wa mituma ki 1393 ya sokeria messenger kuire mbeu ni ye kadha ni pepe type ye ya gwithiriwere na igwithitu company ye no ritobo ayo nibu na so yethete na information yoko na sinilot yo niye kenda kwethe kwina thina we can trace kuitura murimi nya urambeu wata container yukaina mbeu mike kinyare wake thakana nyero kone bya korabia ku satisfied nuntu ke agutha wina thina nugurite karatas ka ukareport ukorinjire ku report kefis na no report through nyobisi ya agriculture kana obisi nya thirikari bakamnyanjirera bakawatana kawata nyaki website ya kefis baba isi manto website unate ku ukaona information ukoria siuria ukaeleza ndio mbeu nduke na wito na mbeu antu cia bira ciare cia sensirie then to ya tukatrace tukona seed lot uniriko ya umeta ki company riko tukauria njirera ira murimi ura ora muntu ura wendia mbeu imbi aka punished kuba tungwetu ni ya kuregulate manto yau kuolelia tuiba mo ba agency baba tethera cia production kana protection kana promotion ya agriculture by ensuring murimi arona mbembe kinya nasari tiri nasari ira kana nasari ira enda cia mite kwanda kefis lazima aane certificate ki nasare ku ya miti, especially miti ya matunda kenda to satisfy mitire matunda kwendia ni mitite condition na nasare ku itina mirimo yumbo spread kimunda ya arimi kuwa itakura miti nye matunda nasare no burita kuria nasare ukethe ina certificate ya KEPHIS.
Nende na tabomba kwa regulate mantota yo mheshimiwa no tokino ya kinyo ko mero okay aweta tokondo tutwigi muno to mero eto treatment ba na nasari cio cio bandite mitira benda irianto igitarira koura na antu bara batendera bakiura mitira bakimenya gethero ni inspecti kana ti inspecti beta abono tu nasari bakaura mitira bageta kwando na bageta kwa
ako mero tu na inspectors tu no bisi ara based in Timau nya Timau ria Timau no ina activities ingi cia horticulture lakini amwa abuti musieto ni liunga actually one of the things in enda kubuda na itwarite na especially mheshimiwa Kanywedia kanyanga bana bauria na atu kwambiria a main office ikurunga nuntu county Meru ni very important kiri kimanto agriculture yithura itethera cia ku to enhance ubisiu so itukubanga ku enhance ubisiu yithura ikumba ku follow yigidure kumba kuthiata mantu ya kathi ya mimera yu ya mbeu KEPHIS actually nuntu bwa mandate planter KEPHIS ringini thura yina labs ituta service labs nuntu KEPHIS ni principal advisor on government kimantu ya agricultural input kutu na laboratories ithi mamuthetu ithi marui kathi irrigation tudwatu na yasito molecular labs se kuthima even plant genda tuone the plant ni genetically modified kati genetically modified tudwatu na also chemical labs cia kuthima muti up to the kathi kumnya mantunya heavy metals kumnya quality fertilizer kathe ni rebuirite kathe ni kumiti standard to wata information ni to itu mobisine ya Minister of Agriculture to Minister of Agriculture ru aka act kuringana na seriere reo kana kuringana na powers yake nuntu minister noe the policy holder within the ministry so in short neo gwira mbithwanu gamirite na kumanduta KEPHIS actually ni nditite ngui embeapio ibo kutokora nya president na rambongele tamu wingi kenda mbendela kuruta ngui mbea na kende leo mirita kinyara itara siasa la kinyanga ita siasa na rambwire peta karombe teke muyumbe gembe not nuntin kuona kwina ngap kwingwanda mberitie na tari to ugathaga nona ngui tie mbe antiromba kura ndendera nguingi lakini karomba kura atwembe tai kuone bambwite bampe nafasi tubatetherie to provide utongoria bubarita abari ubaende na babwirite nuntu ngwe mutongoria ni kurita antu abari abaendi arababwirite te muno arainya bakwenda kwithe bari nuntu no bethe baya ai na bakiona akaba abwirite like now na wetu antu amnyirie mirei indi meya na nteto ciayo ntu kara kumenyera kintu gionde no kikwethia kombo so ni yongwa ni kwendekana itwandite mira indabere nditwandinya mikwasie miti na twina thoko ya mikwasie miti China ngandithia miri yonde mikwasie kainya part of Kenya nona kwina huge market ya dried cassava kutuka itukwenda kwandithinya kinya terere itukwenda ntu wetu anda avocado wendia avocado wendia terere wendi nyeria wendi nyamakala nuntu Kenya itugurite kusensia mantu aya ikuthai Kenya kumusema twari the other day twara se mantu productivity last month productivity conference itugurite kuria ne ontotura into bimwe tutugurite kura ni twaritie waziri to agriculture bwana Mutahi Kagwe is doing a very good job your coordinate agencies yake ile kugwithe research yonto Karoro baba kugwithe promotion yonto AFA na yonto KEPHIS nere na mandate regulation kenda tuona ni tutetheria agriculture Kenya ni ukura itugurite kumurika tukoria ni yonto murimi wa Kenya ni yonto muntu wa Kenya akaura itunguru akaura nyanya aura ginyeria kuma Uganda yani it is a mistake kana kura into bila basic Kenya nä burä te kweri å kå mbä gana gwatuä ka mpempe itu kuketha Kenya nä ciani Kenya tå tä burä te gwä tä gä ria kå ra staple food ndä tä mnyo kå ra Kenya na iguo ntå kuona mheshimiwa President Ruto alisukuma sana kuma ile president strengthen mbonde onto cafes na kuthura muntu onto oikwo muntu kwelewa na thai mbeu ira tu produce in the last 2-3 years ni mbeu ita produce history ya Kenya kwa mbeu iki agwethe bukuritie mbeu nyingi kinyamba baraba kuracia mbeu bateona thoko nuntu mo bitu mantu bendi into fake nuntu bwa kutuika mbeu iteani nuntu iteani bangi bata bakabwithia mbeu ciokora lakini mbeu ira standard ireo wagwithia ciokora iteona ari kwenderua so I thank Mheshimiwa President nuntu bwa ku also ku enhance nya company onto Kenya Seed Company na babangi baba kwenda mundere thirikari ba kombrethwa munde thirikari bakanda mbeu kenda tuthe na mbeu ciani cia kwana cia kwendia murimi iu cia combine riu na this program ambiro ingi Mheshimiwa William Ruto antu ibara cioma kinyethe antu bena kipindi kanambi muntu arita ngui mbea irarite mbea nero ni mbea munene na abutite ngui mbea ya kwagigisa story ya mbeu ni story utabubu mbeu I mean mbeu ira nuntu ngui ira tukurita on behalf ya thirikari ya Kenya. So ndi chairman, you know I'm the only chairman of cafes in Kenya.
Yes.
I'm the only chairman in Kenya who regulate amantu ambeu. Na ngwe kwani kuonelia ngure kuritwa ni antu abarubisi bakaruta ngure bwirite ya ku protect murimi wa Kenya. Ntumite nyata alam ku jeri baki ya kuonelia ni onto mire tu ikuma.
Ndabe ni mheshimiwa natukeje au.
Okay.
It's okay.
Nimbi na ngwira barita kenda at least tukiuri na tuketha tukimenya imbi yo ngwa bakuruta na mheshimiwa twacoka by the way inda igitu no yete na bo na bayukia some element cheweta kuthima kenda no ukatweleza no gatweleza miraine ri no tunande ukethriwo yo kulugira jarene cia mutwarie na gatwira nande miraine ri no tu baingi bawa mirani drug mirani mbi ugatwira kethira ni mani drug kana te drug lakini tutonya rutere rungi bana Eric kwa kintu kwenda twariria in national mantu jegie abductions tutumba kumatuka kumakirichio ikintu kirawete mwangi muno the whole of this week mantu ya abductions after the protest yejira mantu ya abductions abductions iji imbonere mutongerio mwakiaria our Kenya is slipping away into chaos and we are losing Kenya nonto bwando nyingi muno iri kuonekana chithiritu iri kwina mantu ya goons kwina mantu ja gukona na abductions jutie ya kana irira mtu kwina ogwa bobu ingi buthirito bukiendelea ukaria mutongeria political analysts no tegerete mantu jana ritho ya kisiasa do you really think Kenya it to lose in the growth of Kenya
before nyambure kiurekio have a follow up question kile mheshimiwa ndo I think the discussion leo kali nayo ni very important kile utathire no para one banding one unde mulimi wa especially for ng'ombe na mpempe cha commercial na ndio ni ndagura mpempe cheta chia yellow you see mpempe ole kira ika yellow ika tantero green ya tan yellow na afika pempe kakagitata kanyia now these are incidents chia penite gutikia akwalire boga muno you can report but now momeru kana mulimi tauni especially very invested heavily in commercial farming now on incident here how now government come in on tunande to report yake na momeru na kulia nande after short position there kana disadvantages nengotekania nago mheshimiwa you work ule mbunge you represent people na ngotekia manto jajonde ja affected mulimi especially ya uni kana mulimi ungi na ndi tukona mpempe ku ikolea ku karaura ku bati how now governments which are the mechanism government ikuthithia only kuchorea kakuthithia follow up kiri mtu ura wa thithirie o pakire mbeu izi now umugwatani murimire what are the remedy aka benefit out of raw sire aka na tiageta raw sire treri aka benefit yata kanete kujirau ugachoke kiurikio you ochoka na ara ndo komba kulirwa. But kambuge on your question mheshimiwa kidigesta jo ugachokeria when ugachokia when ugachokia. And number two, kira ugachokera ndo kwa mwachokia, there's one thing also, macadamia was also a business naja exporting na kwere ibo baijana baro wacho export, especially academia kwa ina issue macadamia kuna China bari naja pakoja na bei njaga muno na of course the demand kwa nandito abire kuimport the raw material. I don't know what's advantage chejere Mumiru, the moment mtora wengiro for example ogora academia at that place na thikari amono ntino ali mwanao we need also to do raw to ambira ku import raw, we also need to hand value ndizina ate airite Ameru meno kadirite kita kefis na kuona ni Ameru na yes
I think mheshimiwa ukichokerera kikiuri kiu tukuviko mtundari no wandite macadamia na mbira macadamia before mo China bari na bagura 1 kg na 250
yes
na dai ndegiro bakuwa sina mete to 70 Kenyan shillings
70 shillings.
So that means kabarira nya mo China wari na ibona mbeti nyingi nkuruki dai so
Number two, also on avocado, we all turn to ash avocado, forgetting the indigenous avocado cheto iratituire, and there limi unabe kulirwa na kebukio. No regulator, no bezirite. How are they ensuring that mnyamu mnyotigero na avocado jana mukuru jaja kuthithia maguta kithikare na ambi benefits chijira na. Number two, on issue ya undi mulimi, that's why it's quite about the concern ingutikia concern cha kwa ageria guchoro thirikari ni ari. But two, there is a issue ya the export au we mukaliri tikiria kiki na tawe ensure antu beto ba Meru nonto either of the day uni business ya sene itebiti ya jana mo ya jana nonto tokodigo eto but is a community. It's it not from a community where you come from. What imbi ugo we mheshimiwa since period the miaka thatu ogeretie kuletera contribution kiri Ameru ku benefit to feel about as long as you are chairperson wa KEFIS nationally trickle down to kimwananchi omotori waku kanambi how have you enabled mulimi ura baba bakudidi exports baba kulema into be export na ata bomba ko aggregate into bia bakona market no to no kumenya igo certifier digo jana baro cha market because there is a lot gap in ene mono information ikaje kwa mheshimiwa you have that information now your team they but with the sensitize a community that you can form groups, you can ensure that you have certified seed certified fruits cha ku export nonto pole na reto de mama pai ya ku export kaitina I mean yaki flower na kuga there is also a KEFIS office but generally what for example as young people who want to do this market try this market to ensure that we are exporting this product natia as your capacity otethetia Meru kana ku get that information to ensure that they can have these routes not to China witano now that information is not really yours. How have you able to deciment kuleta kimashinani as young people kana batu gotoeratire you can package your fruit this way other than kuenderia broker babo tukuita ora tunandika avocado ko 10 ndika romira kilo chiringi 5 na ijira chia hash to and I think the premier creator the baraboga atona alternative. What have you done for the years ugatire as a community to benefit out of the information rawi nayo kana your staffing papa tu as a community then amonoko menya oranka export tesa sawa kona wanka nganda papa ichakwa na harage yake na kona certification you eko export, because having such information ne ko ensure that our committee united na ne ko menyate not only being a chairperson but a certain age ne ginto ke kenene muno munene. How have you done it to us as a community to ensure you stimulate that guide? Ngichoke kiorega. Ngichoke nande kiorega.
Bombere mbwire KKFIS twithura turi a regulator. Kuri regulator na kuri agency nayo ina mandate ya promotion. So bombere ki manto regulation ya ko riembere ki ambeu tukuminya tukuthiata ni dua ni kuthiata mechanism binkwenda kuolele riutwitite mbere na bimwe bituma mbenda kwitanya parliament ye imbakikisa serie ikwa enhance kana iwikirwa inya wenderia murimi mbeu imbi na ethete mbeu regwirite bombere ni criminal offense like igore ndirio lakini tukwenda twita to another level wenderia murimi mbeu imbi yonto egweku asarera nugurite kwa compensated.
Absolutely.
Tukathiata indi mechanism riku murimi uyu a compensate wanu tuna tonyeru asare na tugite kwitharimbi aikiyo. So that those are things that they very keen to experience here kwando metena ukameendia parliament ki legislation kenda to enhance seria ikapsa mantu in a stronger way.
Yes.
Even on the inda so the chairman gaso kari ko le linya ki regulation kenda no to with the regulations iwikira power sio toa power ya kupunish na kuforce the mtoro wende muri mbe a compensated no to botero ita nambi. So those mechanisms yule kiki ngi wamburi the chairman of KKFIS na tembele ye na tembele tekimbiru wambere ukiagwita ki clips yakwa ntumirite itariri ingi mno ui rendiine Siameru TV Siameru even mwa mini ntekwenda gutamerita cyatan ku promote other
Yes.
lakini station ile si dore kiaria ki promote information na sauti yakimbiru actually mpiti tekiri nyingi kinya member wako mbundi bakaigunya ruritho bakoria ka station utaire nyingi cia Kimiru ni why do I go there nikenda kana information like no have information mu China na kwenda ikwasibia miti twanda ikwasibia miti na wingi na kwenda Meru ro ndigire tuyanga ndigire bwa na program mutu kwa eneo gusa voso na agency to it artist this ke promote also this kind of product to ande mikwasie miti na mikwasira yomwa I process to with the protocol yomwa tukende mutu wae ikwasibia mu miti China pena very huge market China already barure market ingineo ya dried silly suri
Chili, yes.
Silly na sio dried silly there is a huge market bena market kufollow protocol nuntu bwari bamirwa bandite mariu bakwenda nya dried bananas uni mwere mukwenda kwambiriria iba kwenda also dried mangoes ni otoambire line you. So ndi mbere ndi chairman KKFIS information kubua nya KKFIS nde yanda kwa ana information ila arimi baba na interest na bakwenda you know now they will come. I mean bakaya about information to an office itu waka closely na county asebete bateo na mtu wa KKFIS iba etera ofisi na agriculture pa witu kwenda kwitwa na bi then to atumatana bakaya inkora segathi onto manto amirei ntumite team kenda ba kwa destiny there kwa rinya then the na ya avocado ndatumi nderwe ni one of the media houses na ndatuma atana mba KKFIS be ya miunde nera kolelia mirimwe na indaweriku.
Yes.
So as a chairman I provide information, we do linkage itona nete na twarite na ntobo ofisi ya governor kenda batake also advantage ya presence yekwa nuntu batu ngwetu ni ku promote ni ku bring that regulation.
Yes.
Keve nu kwenda mantu ya export. In fact one of the things mumba kwenda ndaita mbunge ni kuleta also motion yokuwatanithia functions icionthe nontu challenge mumba kwathima kwina KEPHIS kwina AFA kwina even ya mwandila inyana ntu ba Kenya Bureau of Standards into bibionde bi line ne kuregulate kathima ntu ya mimera bionde biburita kwethe biri under one agency kenda inya kingwe kiritika gwatuika ni kuritika ni kuutha ki murimi
Yes.
nontu ende ombotiri mababe na promotion batu directly utenda promotion lakini sikumo bisietu bakabwithia activities ya kuyanya kumiru kuthomethene arimi ba makandamia thene arimi ba avocado thene arimi ba mira kuringana nindi rere o we do it on any basis nontute our core mandate yetu ni kuona bila biburi to eta biweta so kire
maembe na into bingi bionde na kinya mario tayari no kuthira kuna mtu wandite ikwasi na tona na wiki kwasi bi maembe of course tukumya kura ntu bengi muno bari maembe na batina thoko cia maembe ina murimi uyu akambiriria na no kethro munyariri into bi kenda na ndi bikinya na are urubita ku export on thiguru ningi
at the moment but KEPHIS ngui ya kuwithia bila already direct everything is ready ku market easily ni dry and silly bibi ngiba ni China kuma faso mibarure free trade betegeri ndo bibi ngibi agriculture product biendo ki China without many itena restrictions nyingi na itena tariffs tukwatanira so thai bio ni ku promote idea na entrepreneurs ba umirento erikinongi be yari ubambirie company yasio ilinjistwa through KEPHIS ilinjistwa kiringi ya China injistwa GAA Gender Administration ya ile ndira na manto ya quarantine na binambi companies ilinjistwa then irurwe connection na companies ya China ile ikaora into B so at the moment irankuwa ndina challenge information that enda wataki musemu ndari and I make it follow up through the embassy commerce wing ya embassy ya China ni process already ongoing tuambiria na tuona kwina production ikumbikana kana production substantial then to connect to entrepreneur with I willing kuambiria kiwanda kia kuumithia ikwasibi na bio mitho bikabwithwa mutu yuru kenda yu itathuru protocol ya bure tota kisuo yendwa China so mwaka uyu ni mantu amwe kwenda kusukuma kenda ntu betu batetheka tiba miro aki Kenya yonde na betho wake ana mikwasi ntu China ni ndi na ntu China ni ndi na ntu 1.4 billion people na kile antu baye na itonga over 400 million na China ibagwithitie nthio na neo challenge kuona mheshimiwa president yake ariria nyandhi kuraswe ne antu ore ave na mathwania ya kuraya lakini mathwania ukiakorelia atongori baingi baba era cia kuromba kura bo mtimetanya atongoria batithwania kurita Kenya ari endia ara ni mathwania kwata bakina macianthi ni mathwania ya president wa tukare over Singapore pakauga kutumbikana agua to no tuthe na free medical kutumbikana no tuthome thio kutumbikana ukona muntu etagua uni mundu wa country na mundu ndi onde itongora swani thinking forward thinking ya kuthwania no twae to be honest president mwenda inya kuwa no twite Singapore eu no twae ubwa Singapore nuntu ukiagwitho tithwanirio tujeri you cannot achieve what you have never thought about inya station ye mwene kathwanie no mbithe ndi na TV mbere ni thwania so inya mutongore mwene ndire athwana cia twendie Kenya iumeki third world kana umekire ndire kuendelea ya developed ibu ndikura u nibu inya misie kura ukathwania tena nyumba ikwenda woka ukathwania mono kwa ikwenda inya mwana wengwa inya thome ndenda kuthoma mbae bi kinya wikiroto ara kwa journalist kia kwa muntu wa habari na waita skuru wa focus wa thoma mantu ya media ibu onto kumba ku manage program onto lakini ukethota thwaniria u so Kenya thai kiui ngwirere runo sukumantu betu actually nkauria nya kuona na wasiri wa agriculture muntu very proactive wa Njanaro wa Mheshimiwa Njanaro ithinju minister tu wa agriculture ndimweleze opportunities irio turitanirie ngwe na tuurie ndi baba kethe bakiunganisha arimi ba together productive withwa na kutuika itu kwendi into bingi mnya tukwambia kwendia nikwasie ame ntundera antu ba China batu turabura into bia almost $9 billion na tubira tugwende bitikwa na even $1 billion kabere imbalance tuburite kenda tuethe twina iraito ashand prosperity then itu kwenda nya batu buture into bibinga ingi kenda tugethe twina big balance of trade so ene ngwe mwera kwenda winingwa kwa nafasi na inya nafasi ndio kila mlo thigiria tuatane antu abeto wakaro ninje zimwe thirikari Kenya ito Kenya Agriculture and Livestock Research Organization Karo na boiba kubwithia research ya mikwasie mea ile na production imbea ile kubwa regions mwanya nya Kenya bikuendekana Florence ni kuyana mibango na antu babonde baya wangu wene thirikari wetho muntu o county no line agriculture nugure to sumbukana to atetheria murimi uyu murimi rimwe bia kwenda ni information iutu kwa na nyotu kwareria kwa na mura opportunity wirio investor bia kwenda ni information so very soon untu mantu ya the other month mweri uyu rari ukurara atu maneno no that the office ringi kupewa nafasi ibantu amwara kendo promote itarenga the office kenda to streamline kenda to tetheria flow ya information yekira antu abaingi investors baita babo mbogothe bena interest kura ikwasibi ku establish factory u na ku connect na market ya China kuni ngwetu orende as we speak ndi kuma oro China nde yenda aneka information yiye ki muntura director ngamirite manto ya phytosanitary ngamirite manto ya ku connect manto ya trade na ku prepare protocols ila sienda ku prepare kenda intobira tukugwithia bietikania na standard ila igwithitwe ni China twambira nyane process so mbati mantu kwenda skuma kenda opportunity oturo ya rimwe na yani burito tumoroboya na kwenda antu betu no ba proactive Kenya nyande thukite ka itoere ubwa supermarket ni anturenda kura musere raisi tutugenda kuri yetu turenda kura nkano raisi tutugenda kuri yetu turenda kura mpempe raisi yani
but whose responsibility see responsibility on the netrikari I'll tell you before uchokekeu kira mheshimiwa akuga batu twaere supermarket bakorerwe thirikari kunere primary responsibility to ensure costs ya kuthithia into bibionde is also competitive na area for example nyato tukaria neighboring Uganda and Tanzania barabara ma ikwachi barabara ma onions Uganda rabako ma mpempe our cost of production it's very high na tu na gitumi yoko thirikari ire mwa ituga iki emphasize no boba the trading mantuja jonte no ntigo batenda mantuja bwa I'll tell you for one nikingo kwiro it's true no ndure why they are the same people I'll tell you why thirikari nikimonene you have right of reply na ndiaja uzo tangu because I'm in this business for some time Mheshimiwa why is it difficult to devolve functions in agriculture? Because purely devolved is up. Why do we have office in agriculture still at the national government and in a huge budget? Why? Montugolio, Mheshimiwa, counties play a critical role in terms of streamline agriculture kana enhance that information general to easy. Egeja kudora county da ye kuerente staff, for example, to ensure that this information that you have ego kinyira mwananchi wa kawaida. Number 2, look at the irrigations. Egeja kudora thirikari ni kwenda uteithia murimi wa ensure murimi agutetheka. Look at the irrigation. Thai ugeta boli gitari iriere boli. Iriere boli ikeja kuna rujiro na kuna dams itito. Ngaira ule previously iriere mono, but ugeta nande it's quite dry. I have a farm in Bori. Utinde ikeja kudhura thirikari intention yayo iko ensure that irrigation na mwananchi akona ruji. Mantu za tukuga ja ku import cereals. Irira ni nene mono yuba ku grow cereals kuna ruji. Gap ule thirikari gafili iro aria tukaraia every time kana tubati ko concentrate an area apart from kuka thirikari nira reduce the fertilizer. Fertilizer is not part of only input ita mundene. Ruji is part. Ikeja kodora itogita ushuru ba ko jiranto dams na ko install dam nyingi mono antubo madinene uto whether ate quick to take import into bingi. But what happens is that the government, the policy makers, barato nabo, they are more sending corona in big keza. So market of course ima onto muchere aju importa. Ukategara ngape importe muchere na nyampempe. Sitomba kolima. Tai nandi mpempe ngaidira nadire nara Tanzania ni kinyite na mushima nuji that utekura nara. No go expect harvest career next year. But if the government kuna ndene kuona gap na te tize they know that issue ratu nayo especially in the Bori na area nerenya nera umite iroze but tuina munda ja kodema na ikora urite ngai ningi na roje rweta koraja. Why is it difficult for government to invest heavily in toiro togenjero dam inyanya ile kuyujurite for now? Non to kwenda with Singapore. You've asked a great question. Are we heading to Singapore 80? I'm telling you, we're heading to 80 currently. As the political temperatures are high, because in terms of goods, to choke the heat, the same case in terms of ensuring promises in terms of dams. Agriculture is next frontier. I agree. Not in all the after, in all the own. Agriculture. I'm doing very chini ukuga. I've done chini aja rohiri. They are doing very well. But now tukienda area baba kuli the flavors. Oh, people have bagu itangu anenchi bagu ituba. But what's gap? Okay. Costs irere nene ne ikengu wadirikari yote na impediment. Kejo costs ya kudidi ya oremi iregoro. We cannot compete with countries really investing every in agriculture.
Okay. Nego tuko kwa mwashi ugechokia kwena kinya kwena cost yeu kwa ya kulima ni thero eriguru. It's true. Kiri some farmers na pengine no turekire mibango rawe no tunao you are back in the office maybe ni mibango riko thirikari yene ko make sure kwamba mwananchi ro windi na kuumbana na no to sometimes muzima kinyambe uyo ngo ithina kwina murimi ukwenda kurima lakini atini nyambe cheche kura mbeu na kwa tukatiri makintu kiraba tere kurima no ntumba kuthira atini mbesa at the same time agintu ya mira moshimiwa indonete wijite na ntumba bethithwa bakithithia muthetu na kuthima mira no ntukuro mira yari kuretera thina muno kira wa ni drugs I don't know hiyo nini imefikia wapi mheshimiwa utakuwa unatuambia at the same time ukiokolelia yorimi bwa mayani mheshimiwa dhaibu kuroboko bwekiri tax ya 0.8%. And aremi no bakutheta no tiba kwa mantu jaja gatoma gutwike batumba kwithira bakiri maka ora babatere no tiba kuinyilika bira barona tibe bakona ka benefit kidogo kara mtu arona ka kuitwa no tiba tax ringi kwithira ikiongerwa into bimo ya bibi oto marimi kwa twika iba kuremoni kurutangu iyo ora kubatere and now that war advocate no timbicie apart from kwithira nya weche ya wakefis you have been advocating for anto kulima sana into bingi sana. What do you think thirikari ni batere kuthithia ku make sure murimi any urokwenda kulima aina that accessibility ya kulima
Mutai wasiri wa agriculture mheshimiwa Mutai Kagwe na bwithitie forum imwe Malindi 1 forum Malindi 2 na akareta agencies ciake kana masirika mwanya Kefis afa na babangi regulators both agriculture na livestock to analyze tuya na mechanism ila tumba ku propose ke thirikari yongela I mean inisanisia ngarama iro kwariria cioremi and I've been part ya discussion yuuni ntima ya umburi siuria ningo binsumbura na no theru nene bu win nafasi wene actually one of the things kwenda kuita inya parliament na neo parliamentarians antubara bathuri both county level na national level ibagwirite kuithe bakithe taira ministry ya agriculture yari budget ya agriculture itikwa na inya 4% ya budget ya Kenya unombo na rimwe thirikari kibanga nteto ba planners ibagwirite kwaria na kugwithirwa tukua kwaria na kugwithia nuntu ke aguthitu kwenda ku promote agriculture na twithe twi food sufficiency then itugwirite wikira effort nene actually it is not known yande inyaweta ande onto China. I'm very impressed by China. Weta kiri ande onto China mbere bo akikise bo Korea bo na enough food.
Yes.
Enough food, you know the best, you know the first item ya ndekora.
Yes.
Kutuike ibu na bia kora bia kwana so you can sustain yourself. Ndio onto dete tukiaria bonda boro ri bambira. Yontobo the Angry Reserve. No bena no bare bia kura for 1.5 years, 18 months. Kinya kukara ka kuakara bena bia kura bomba kura mwaka na nusu. Na nindi antu bana 1,400 million people. You know 1.4 billion. Kuwa 3 months ni bangeta bia kura ku Kenya. Kenya ni kweria tu tunajaribu na mathina eko thirikari no kweria wetangula lugalana ni aireria inaendelea ukona kuendelea kuotitikia nuntu thirikari ne retere PIP kurandu ba kuinvestiria sile mantu ya green kuongela bia kura lakini effort irere ya kubwithia mandam nambi une kwenda kwa expedited nya Kenya tu ina thine ngito tonyere na winte ndaku bantu beto IMF na beto World Bank bea batu aloni imwe ile itetu tethinyo tambere cia bwikira marandu ya Kenya marandu yaye nayo mbesire nyingi cia Kenya ira tukona cio wote almost 60% iraita ku erandu 70% kumbe sire ciutiara cia kubwithia ndamu cia kubwithia barabara cia kuthomethiana cia mbi no kya golelia budget onto Kenya education kuringana na importance ira president ya ete Kenya ya ete education for the first time budget ya Kenya IS ra o ya thirikari 500 something billion the budget ya education ni 784 billion ni almost 20%, more than 20%, about 20% ya actually more ya national budget. So we ya kire nge investing nge siotiara say investment into bibinge kethe ruwe but you know actually if I were the one I would put in at least 5% ka 6% kira agriculture was stimulate production no ka invest in also value addition so uka generate mbesa cia kubwithia ntetero kwenda kubwithia riu rimwe ituikira mbesa ki sectors ite productive kwa tukandi mbesira wikire itumba ku ukathoe constraint ki production so ni mantu ya level nyethe ndithirikari ya level engi ikwenda engagement even at the cabinet level baba ara ni mbiba thwana iria ni mbiba banga na tabo nyakura itawa what one thing can you do was stimulate ya yangi
Yes.
So ewe ndine unu kuona even ngisoga siuri na kiwa ni mantu ya kwenda discussion ndi president no yana discussion ye akayanto ontowe bagwa tutitite Singapore ni Haiti ndi kuona mathwani yaku urona ya twendetie ku ria uthwani ni Haiti twithikiria ria uthwani ni Haiti tutigite orne nwikirira mbita negative energy na thine Kenya nene we have great minds in Kenya bibi kuendekana ake ni kuorganize capacity ratu eneo by the way Kenya mantu agwithitu buboya tutikwenda more than 20 years kwithe twina Singapore because we have everything right twina population educated twina human power eto human capacity twina even infrastructure compare na mini. So bibi kuendekana ni kufocus tuitikania at Kenyan level na ingwetika the president or president nya ena mibango we have been running vision 2030 era ambiririo ni Kibaki. So I'm hoping to process in President William awa nafasi yengi akabwithia vision nigethe ni 2060 ka 2050 ire yatuma riu Kenya mno unya 20 vision kadhe 63 iwatanite na vision 23 ya Africa kenda tuwekira mikakati ni hata tukanisia ngarama ya kubwithia mantu tuongele electricity stima ni mwere ituma Kenya thege sirani kiri manufacturing na mantu maingi tuone na hata ngarama maisha ya stima kenama ni hata tukomba kubwithia ndamu iyi kenda tubomba kuthebena rwi rwa kunywa na rwa kurima. So mantu ano nya yekure mibango ene yekure program ine na yabangirwe. That is why you see mheshimiwa president na ambiririe era nyuma the infrastructure fund na yambiririo na mbesira ira cia imwe cinto biri kwendio nto Safaricom nambi samshasi kendwa mbesire sikure ki infrastructure fund yende tukauria private investors through to eta PPP private public partnership PPP be yakwa tugathe ni ndamu iyo nuntu wota ukekira ruwi kinyari mbaye kura bakire at limited money at reasonable money nore aimbesa no karima munda no komba kwende product. So mantu ano yekirwe. My hope is this infrastructure fund yatetheria kwa ni lock ndamu yontu kwa tuka iken encourage private investors weba invest bari kupu. You see like just kidogo madam ukiakwolele something onto expressway it is going on very well na nitite kire ya kukwenda nyakomba kubuthia akini ya expressway. I'm sure kurengi kwenda kubutho kuma Nairobi town itita Thika another expressway. So tukia kubwithia infrastructure no ke area agriculture ku invest ke water harvesting. I get a lot of pay in the parliament. One of them business yenda bwithia ni kureta motion in parliament na come up na resolution in parliament. Unfortunately no nto antubembe batari ni contract yakwa na ambunge babe yabonde bataita nyambunge tigeburite kwaria mantu atikubwithwa kwithwa kwina committee implementation ni task kumandeta na motion neguate barabara cionthe iri kubwithwa especially in arid and semi arid areas ikongelwa mbia cia kubwithia feasibility na cia kubwithia water harvesting along the way. I've seen this thing done in South Africa. You can imagine barabara ntu meta Isiolo itete Moyale. I've gone through that route not once not twice na watirima the nera company ne otarwe rwa rainstorm akwitheka kwari na idea yontweu kwatu ukara kwina laga ora kwina mwera yuka ingwa ikethwa ndamu rwi rwantu batithebe na thina. So bibi kura Kenya rimwe ni mathwania yau ya watene onto yau ndeite amusho new na very popular lakini ono nyesku mwerengethi atilwe nyanu ntu nabo antu abathirikari nete bonde bethwa bena
kondo kuria three mwesh then menya wira wa ukaigwa kinyinyila ni rumi mtoro kaigwa kiaria ntukugwa riki akiaria murimi ura no tubakuthwa pengine we no rimi bwaku bwithite lakini rimi bwo to utethia in a way that okay expect bwithra bwo utethagia na wategera factors ira ci utuma gutweka rimi bwo to kinyara wo kwenda ukona beyond ugwe as a farmer nanga either wone njare thirikari yutetherie kana antu bara batere kuthwa bagi utetheria. So do you think mheshimiwa no kwithira batu priority che Kenya thai ite kin direction ire batere nonto ukiokolelia kende economy kura agriculture in backbone economy
lakini ete effort ire bwirite
exactly
no tie thirikari ya imea nyethe kwina priorities according to me agriculture kabisa ndaibu nkuwa yontu ni kwenda mbunge balobi na baro makini unfortunately majority of them batithora ba keen na manto ya tethi nyanto bo baba ingi bona batitho nya ba clear nimbi ba kwenda na nto. So ibu onto muringi kura wengwa ithineke muringi kura no ringa ira kura waringira eana mana tano sauri yako turie thinene turi acio thura muntu utina akiri muntu utina mibango muntu utina plan no kuthura ura wina plan anatemo inje mwamba aekirwa au Kenya nya mwamba antu batingu nyothe mwamba bonka wina mbesa ukathurwa muntu umwe atina mbesa atethurwa waromba kura antu bakambira kuria nimbi wina bio indi na inkumnya for sure kana kero nyandhiye antu wa miaka 10 kuna kazi unaweza fanya mingi kinyo wa asili onto lakini uteo awitu ngetha no digeria angwere uka kwenda angu digeria ngwere
kwa dobora takiri mheshimiwa wo kinyo MP kwina ithwani ware ario oria mantu ya dams na
inda bwethe nyandu itakita na njeri if you don't remember inda yena ndam nginyo ndam na arandu muru na ara kuntuita wa njarune ithata murongatu bandu sikwa nimefikia itwenda area ntore ngathu area iranda negotiate na akuru bantu ambui na bantu nene twa Meru University thaka 500 acres kenda twambire skuru ya agriculture skuru ya R&D lands na mineralogy ebwethwa na ara area ire ngathu nuntu area ndu muru ni area also iron ore na esuma ingi na tu area kuona resources ya tu na so universities nya kwethene ngimbona etakaje na imbarite nya na nene nya wasiri nya PS whatever dabari tu bita guthenya tu na system you connect kethe ne agriculture minister agriculture na department cia universities ile ikuthomethia mantu agriculture kwa tu akwina collaboration ministry policy maker ministry eke olelasia osmanto extension dua ministry kuma national na nya county level kwa tuika anabara bakaya wa stipend ba eta bakaya extension officers professors braba is baba isiana kwa tuiba kubwithia research about productivity ba bwithia productivity bakona ni mbibi kwendekana ki muthetio ba tax baba isiana bara kwa tuga kwembesa itengicia mantu yau kwa tuika research ile kubwithia university stand kubwithia university kadhi mantu ya agriculture kadhi mantu ya livestock ni connect na source na story amremi eneo ndi tuita tugathomethia antu bakatua bai hanging ikuburita kwethe kwena connection kenda to compete na baba angire you know I'm impressed ni what I have seen in China China out in China there is nobody living below poverty line in China today. You cannot see slum in China. You cannot see somebody utikuria nyumba decent. Why? The government eke na program ya kuwa ni hata tukengokea turitageti ntura kwa ntura tiginya generally i program targeted at the village level no mnye Kenya tu ina structure siumba kwa enhanced na for sure even in 10 years tukengo thini what has to be done tukeyantweta nturene atuikalerene katueni ero kuminya unyawe no kuminyeu wetayaria watau area ukona area yankanda ni mbitumbo kuria ku bikatagetwo na arimi bakiura cua thirikari ya tetheria antu bara kuringana ni ndio so Kenya yongo twina kisirani nya katibe na structures cia muthuro itikuthwania how do you finance structures ombotiri mangu imwe kethe county mbesi yose ya kuandika antu bate so useful lakini antu bakisiasa lakini te batetheria murimi kire extension weta thirikari nene also the same la thirikari nene tena ngwe kuandika extension workers ntungwe yo musile gurite gwithe at the policy level then county level no ikukwina extension nambi so bibi kuendekana ni kuorganize the whole system na kuolelia inanga pwiri
I think we are
so kire ngapwe neo ngapwe wenda set come for me today kinya president ya na India tuta Singapore baba ngibo then tuma tutita Singapore ini aite twetete yo imaromba ya kuendia Kenya mbere kaya chaos
so I'll explain that nothing that ugani 8 but amba mbele Singapore mheshimiwa ku confirm kwa muno priority cha thirikari ni upside
hapana no
I'm in the context
ari wantike ndonti ukeria watumira na ambwe ko ro kwenda uwa uranda gwanda imanto te athirikari Kenya were cia 90 uciathi 1963
actually Blueprint ya Singapore no mheshimiwa Blueprint ya Singapore yambiririe Kenya
nye Malaysia
kabisa
inya Rwanda beba piki Kenya even Ethiopia au ndi tweta kubwethia
no ni munene gwenda
ende ke thirikari ruto kana thirikari twere Syria
ande kingukwira mheshimiwa ite Singapore twetete
apana ndi wante kwa
denerero Jerry Kambire amwe the reality uratuku consume because for us we are consumers mantu jaja kuendelea ibatu tutumike thirikari hizi na ibo ba hii nafasi department mwanya na hii grace kani kwende rutwanga hii gitumi nkugo madam Narua ukeje otegera tugi Singapore treated but yantu mbare na bari priority chiao but ikodachi right we've said agriculture niyo backbone antu mbanyire mbere
yes
ekeja kuthora thirikari hizi ni kuuga nande no tutokara twakite for example honestly give me an example ekeja kwa kajomba ingi chiaki aja uju mwandantu ambita ili every day mbechiri tumirike the chiakire ndamu ile thirikiria tutiyo tuna thine yantu bara ya kurema matunguru yao mheshimiwa thine wa kugire kugania mbeche akamnye mbeche ngani tumiri ekeja kuthora ushuru bura tukugito tha hizi tukugana ndithi ne kwenga mpara kapesiri kago kagito kwenga mpara ka ushuru ko geta kuthora thirikari wite na mbecha kaethire na thina because thirikari to andikire chata nyingi mono to asainire mono mheshimiwa ndi part of gosaina chata hii che ndi I know where our dream was na dream yari na vision yari ikito mingona anto bari one time not because muri kwenda betrayal because simply we were promised 8 dams. This is how Meru tore Kanan ado turinge tuere ma twinyiragia lakini nande mheshimiwa antobanye irira umete pate kunyira nonto bakuduro teroje itikungana na roji rururi tetroli te kwanza sizuri ruri tanga nyingi mono but roji rururi trena tena ruri rigere na tadirigari ite project yote vice versa if keja kutwa tukaruge kanyomba tuti contain ko ensure antu beto be productive kito midhirikari ko ensure antu beto ba productive bakare dinene to baturaire maru na niyo plan ya tongeria baratu inabo it's unfortunate mheshimiwa baitita ngwera bari bunge but the current set ya tongeria baratu inabo mabunge ibo ntiko ya kuibo teri nonto abatari but reflection ya dinera tunachoro nto by emotions but keja tukamba kudidi the right thing gutara tongeria na ibugire thinezi tumba kubinya tongeria lakini nja kiongo samaki ambaira kora kiongone ikeja kutha mheshimiwa na president na kumenya wao umite thinene na imurimi ngona scripture ikiran urarimite commercial farming empempe urarimite into bingi no rakuthiri into biawe lakini akorirwe we ena infrastructure na resource na namo ikeja kutho ni ku imply kira na inchi bangi cutting a clause that bena ruji utoweta ku beg utobangara inine agera maiga jeri uto okeja kwithura ntuko ya kawaida emande antu baba to be productive venye chiao bere mamudene yao lakini town muchemano ndio kwa town yaja chukonando nonto dia batena ngugia guita inde ashimwe ro baba ye peta yongo kwira atire penire mu miri akuga na ere no da hizi na ere kitu myako emphasize that thirikari teboga ni betrayal because we under plan we under charter we under promise iratu direction atu tite lakini keja kuthurwa so mheshimiwa atwira that omba kutho nyanto barabe ku batena dream kana ambition chira munene najo but responsibility now backstop with the president. The campaign we plan ya they au can empower the counties accountable functions I can ensure that rule number 1 utiwa we bompecha mheshimiwa tuliona mpecha kama twankunia na ndege utamba kama twakiro kai kuthimu aratiri niki de tutena tina ya mbecha ni umenyeri bwa kumenyera intobiria mwananchi akuthunkumira ushuru bora korea te issue kuntwira tutumba weta Singapore wamba weku donation nyingi mheshimiwa, to be honest, ina Singapore wona mheshimiwa kinya kanisa ya kaja milioni igana. Inaona Singapore prime minister wao ageta muchemanio abwera pangeni raini ni wapange. Inaona Singapore prime minister ageta na state house aibanga antu na 5,500. Inaona Singapore mheshimiwa antu bakiura bakurawa nundu bakudemand rate chao. The prime minister, prime foundation ya prime minister wa Singapore anyonga inachole bawe nundu ba wizi bo ambeta dinera tu inayo mheshimiwa, we have to admit itogete barabara kira kiona kuona titido ishaun show that uni kwenda kuthwa ndi president ikana wenda thithire SGR inda thithire nyomba cia housing structures inyingi, but down deep ke mwananchi wa kawaida atina mbecha mungone nikinguga betrayal ogere kazi otengogete na maana kazi ni kazi tema toge urimi kazi na tena ndi thirikari emphasize that mwananchi wa kawaida ena roje rokulima mwa fertilizer ni age roje niki muchungwaza akwa na damu aja ujo bwana ofisi munene niki muchungwa gweka ndamu hara ore akarema no season mwanga igaura lakini mutongeria kana president kana thirikari yetu nayo itumba kushughulikira antu babure benya na ara yiri itumba gutana agriculture simply because their priority is upside down na antu ni mikone ya bochwira na imbugire gitobi mheshimiwa mbere akiugaga ito amikire Kenya supermarket itera kwa supermarket nonturi betere abaka importa fertilizer cabinet secretary asaidira muchole we free itawa tax free muchere jokeja margin yewe kabua kujo toa manager jari na nontu tieti thirikari tithiro hizi tinera twinayo policies are there but we have short for muchere twina short for ya
lakini ndere kile no
let me say this
nyantikira
thirikari ni na short for thirikari inajua tuko na short for number 2 nire mbugire oni tugeja kuga ati thina ni atongeria itukugweta atongeria batina drive kana ta vision ira president eno tugire backstops with who with the president
and the president
no but
ayumbe benu be nangwe ya kureta seria be nangwe yo kulukia budget nangwe ya kureta budget
mbugire
ni ibateba mama
budget policy originator from the executive the executive ubadugana yora bakuthibia ndigoro yao guided by the president tesa sawa tiga nimbuge kiuteri kathirigire ku ija gothora imo bunge wangu bremle budget originator from the executive
lakini ya no digeria imbetete au legislation ontore
imbetete au
yera keria
au niambetete but primary focus ya with number ya vision area with Singapore you amba ile cabinet ine na department when they are submitting their proposal on what to do based on align the vision ya mwananchi but now
let me ask you let's say maybe antuba bonde pena tina na urawa kiongo kemuchini nikyo kiuga but katuko tu na MPs
yes
but ko bulitango yo ora babatere kudura bakita MP ba baduri mwananchi Dirikari ne president.
Yes. Good.
Hapana.
Dirikari ne muone urao kutongereti.
Yes. Lakini de MP ba.
Yes.
President atemenyo ba itetene. Utebu amenyo ba dite wana ntonia to elected. That is.
But he enjoy the majority.
But kwena
he enjoy the majority. That's why ndikuira tiri. Utiona abunge baba tiaraia with the president talk.
Yes, they
don't. But tiaraia no nturi. Ibo no but ya mheshimiwa na hizi niki andiko na kuga niki na hizi
compromised
they are compromised but na ndele ba compromise to the benefit you the president two of us is the benefit they compromise to the benefit you the president and the president no mutongeri onde goliko na no tukite Singapore na tangara ku 82
lakini ende wewe
you see
no Eric you know we my thinking indifferent neku wo thwana cia wi baraba thwana cia yo nto yatumbikana no thigeria
oni ndikuraga yatumbika twakinya
no thigeria
twakinya US ka twakinya ndikuru ingi but mheshimiwa ri atutikaniria atiri
thwana Singapore
atutikaniria atiri ndamwira ndera mheshimiwa mbere atiri inaona prime minister of Singapore ebo banga raini abo nengra token. Tell me, since Singapore yamberia inaona because Singapore under vision ya kucreate kila mtu aitegemee tema
No, I have a question. Baki banka na huko ni banka na Eric. Don't you think maybe in makosa yanto baba including the voters and including the leaders because babu wewe ngo mwananchi na no kwenda maendeleo na no kumenya kiro kwenda. Niki onto getikire kubanga line.
The problem irato nayo ni cycle. Itukuga tongera beta
it's a reflection. It's a reflection
but we mbugire mbambire ndo ni betrayal because why people voted for this government ibaize pesa
lakini ende kire dirikari let me say no go expect correct in 4 years miaka ya 6 years
tuere atire in 3 months 3 years ila mheshimiwa tuinwe i project ku 3 meru imwe just give me 1 or 2 project 3 meru in the last 3 years the two ngogoro niki I've been very active in this politics for some time. Now it pains me tukare kuora kuri na the platform we but kwa enlighten mwananchi ninge kukwira ati mwananchi at times atingi kuthorena maruru ninge tumyoko na maruru jeku no tubwa I betrayal Nigeria sa wishi kwa that tugeta kubeta kanan na kungebeta na beta kazi di kazi kena mtu pesa mfuko and then 3 years down the line atena ambecha mkono akara kugwata. We also need to constantly remind the current leadership there were promises. It's not about talking irogamba but the impact iroga transform our country going forward to independent to imenyere the twingwa and there are areas togite ichoga ugategera there are areas iro bati ku prioritize but change route towards manya tukaya gutekani nango tumia to Nairobi tukarunga moya lakini nduka meru kire tuitio ngurukire tutikurukare tutirunga moya tuheta emburi tuheta nyuki twachenje route
yewe abo mwende burabo bangi boeta na nyuki
tuheta nyuki tuheta nyuki nande
no go bose
area zira
ye lesson tu umwe kana welese bo ni bwe kuona bubite tu boya
ibungo kwira atire nto we defending the government mbere from 2013 tubo ba 2022 mwanga nande meru etori I project kwethirie president miaka ningana itatu. Do you expect the 2 years
naugire Eric naugire mantu tu for example mantu ya youth naugite agatetheria youth na itonda kireta programs like nyota program kwina inge wala youth baya wambeta na itonta bi dai idonere ntukwingie kukirikana ya kwamba youth bara baya wambeta hizi dai bara paingi bena biashara sio family na the same money ila baya nkanyari kenda bomba kuitethia na biashara sio ni kuitaboega. Don't you think maybe it's one of the way ya ku break Kenya umaskini maybe kana unemployment kile youth
one uditena issue empowerment yanto babethi I'm very paraba kuitango kichao bago utera uituma na uitango kichao but atotera collectively
ini nao kuona na westera thirikari yeritira muntu ngweke
the responsibility is not the responsibility thirikari gunte dianja kwa
no create environment ile yatuma antu bomba kurita ngwesio baitezia
mheshimiwa
thigeria reki no thina challenge ni rantu bara ya kurita ngwe baekere excuse ya questionalize thina na no thina tu thetu na Kenya kuma long time na antu baingi baba thurawa na babethora bai ara nafasi nera yotongoria they are not in dream bakira ku dream big when Kibaki became the president utie mbesa aretere indeed to dream and inyo onto president ko na ke amberia some projects you know omuntu netho ena focus omuntu ai focus kwiritu kwariria te thina ireire wa at least nakua tukabwithia ndamwiji na obo kwina attempt ikubwithwa nakua kethe ni mantu ya fund iteo tubwithie this infrastructure fund ikafund mega projects cia fundwa ya tetheria kuthiria thina etwire. You know, people have been fighting something like this sha ukoregethe ni sha at the beginning ara thina nyingi muno, but as we go forward ni te ki improve nuko na mtu no tara na mbiru nene na ya mutetheria andu abangi barara thina atetheka which was not there before. So kwi mantu tubirite kuona ya mea to ya mea ya yangi tuku about priority. There are things in my opinion yibwithirwa to ya to the two na also national convention. Last month we had a meeting in Nairobi. Yitite all agencies, leaders across the board, kwariria mantu ya national productivity. What is we do to move from where we are to where we are supposed to be? What is the responsibility ya every individual, every leader? What must we do? You know, it is easy to blame the top. Uraromba kura?
Dobete.
Urona urathurwa?
Ntathurwa itangane.
No ntotathurwa ntoire kwana.
Ndaje nikatu ikangana gicakinye gita.
Ende thinerere o ira itukwenda twe mindie on twe Florence. Let us educate our people. Identify the correct leaders. Nuntu as a doctor, kama pastor Dr. John Maxwell, and I believe with his principle, everything rises and falls with the leadership. If we have wrong leadership, we get things right. And the leadership is not an individual. Leadership is also collective. You know, when I was also a leader in my place, I got a lot of problems. Ndenda kuserve our community all over and to have around bambe arete fanya hivi kabera ari. By the end of the day they even left me. Many of them left me. Why? Nuntu ntaitana sia na uraba kuthwania. I was protecting, I care, and what happened to me? By the end of the day ndethiri muntu muwi na antu ba thome thuanda muntu muwi. Thai and after almost 10 years roba kuona ari kabantu erwa kiwetu no tu thwana sema thwani ombo tuendia. Nara tubwirite. After wasting how many years? 10 years. Na leaders batina focus, batina program, batina idea, batina vision, batina batu sumbuka kinyani bibi usumburantu. So thine ere othai Eric etu athirikari ere ari mbere. Era ari mbere yo, ere ngi ari mbere yo. What the focus? We lost direction and it is a time to correct the road. How do we correct the road? Let us listen kibaba arabonde on top.
One time.
Listen kibaba on top. You can say what we are saying. Kinyawe ya ureya uwe kabo after 1 year. As ureya kimuntu as no idea, as no plan, as no agenda.
Sure.
Uendura wina agenda nariye, uti na agenda tumuikire kenda tu andinjeo. No, kwera digiria manda mbundeki. So what we have to do as Kenyans, kinyawe nde muringi kura na nde muringura kura. Nibeke antu baraba bakuringura kura bonde methene. Nibeke latirine. No we na mibango, no we na idea, no we na plan, no we na miario ikuerekania na ara tukwenda gwithe turi a Kenya. So otherwise kashe ya wamba, kashe ya corruption of mind, kashe ya kureta antu bongwa backward, ya sectionalism, ya tribalism. Ino eritiro ne Kenya bongwa na bara kurito ni muntu yabura mulima abura mbi antu betu rirakire atabwita antu betu rira uma methene ire yakire antu bo lakini rirakure ati yakire antu bo abera ini onjera umbo etotetheka. Like, so we have to also ask kire antu babonde bakuromba kura, all of them kuma MCU taki president ni agenda rikube ne Kenya, ni program rikube ne Kenya. Na batu Kenya sire tuka amuntu kura kuringana na quality yake, kuringana na agenda yake, kuringana na plan yake, kanuro abakasia uroeta ki mere, uroeta ki tribe, uroeta ki section yake. So as long as na Kenya genda Kenya ebua nire inya batu citizens ba Kenya tukarita corruption ya antu kwa mbesa kenda baringa kura. Now I've come here, you go to so many activities, arambe te kanisa, te skuru, te ginya wedding, te pre-wedding, te mbasua, te mbi. So by the end of the day, na wale mweta kiri event hii, it doesn't matter how ngundi linda you are, antu bao condemn. Baka ora kuumba wethe kaiyete wethe kathukumite so ukiakolelia tongori baba ingi bethe yolewe gorinya tongori baba ingi ti baba ingi ba survive politics ba umanya ba iboya wiyo kare wane antu bara ye ba kure so ukirekia kwa tuika you are nothing nawe ba respect unekanira bira vuta etasia kenda wa line re ko kuinyoro vera baita line angati ko mforce dia gwithia line dikiria
Yes.
Go muse force dia gwithia mbi line uke akutwiko tie kintu onto line yeye na line tikerambiririe no thirikari yeye lakini ni kwenda riu we pray mutongori we apana utie kintu ontoki no matter au ngunda ndia you are if you have to change them and you are not in that position utibyo asensia nitugwatanea so we are in cyclic ni batu Kenya tukamwa tuwe enough is enough, let us move this way. We are electing leaders of quality. We are electing leaders who have plan. We are electing leaders who have idea. We are electing leaders who have clarity of vision, who know leaders bakumenya nimbi bakwenda na inaande itite ereki for God's sake kama mtu okua twete Singapore ke mtu otebua kwira nesuki tutengwa iwitia ikwinama na baba ingi baba arabonde utiro tethe methene kuria by the way baba imbere arabonde mbiro tethe methene kuria baba kurwa loudness baba na ndwera nene ibara bari methene bari taito methene kuria ria bari ya bara uriba bakithetera mwananchi ria bari ya bo batetherese kunyiria mwanaici indi uritarite antu bakenya no kabona waworyo uritarite oro no aire mulaika na iwora nkoma iwora talo nkoma indi asia nwitire uthetine na bio kutheta even no substance ya mbire ifosua kinya barabo sindana nya thina president mbira muntu kibo wina sound plan wina agenda wina vision wina strategy kinya mathwania yau sairi oro rikuo biro mwabo
and we will come to that
kwenda ukiaria ugari one time for what
Uncle Gatre not generally unitiati I'm in support of the former or something is kintu kama kwenda ku emphasize mheshimiwa no ngwate buruna itogwitakandire na one there is a problem atongere barato kudhura na twiro atongere barato kudhura is a reflection yoni ndaromba kura mheshimiwa ndaliria ntu ndaba plan ugoroko ukithiria kuru na totiga mheshimiwa I understand I feel but tugire kiongoni to na direction ikaja kuthura
ende kiongoni turana to atutia
ko direction munene ko an opinion ikaja kuthura uninde mutongeri on thiguru that nkambiria kuonia juniors bakwa raini kubanga ntu bakwa motivation ya junior ku kendari tende same power that no mwangacho gintu ya kubanga rai onto munene ku no mbere kedona itre I remember there was a time mheshimiwa vice president fundraising Moranga naja kwa Irungu Kangata FVP Irungu Kangata nenda gitekia governor Irungu Kangata fundraising jaitangiri fote mheshimiwa amwire rudi ongeze ifike kama kiti ya governor pesa ya governor inatolewa it tells you ngwitakarande ng'ango you're not satisfied. It tells you that no itai kweza niyo corruption tukugera munene kwejera no tutai is push atongere baba titangugerere bati no tubaije munene na kwejana no mwankani ndizikumembone na anga itacha kwitata cha kubanga no at the end of the day ikaja kuthura wewe ngwa kuga nande no tutiumba kuendelea na tokenism tutaendelea kuja kuona antu betu have opportunity to kuba pressure. Of course is ngeta kwa mheshimiwa janga no there is an expectation that kana kakarama that's a mindset to bati uchenja kuge bati uchenja na kiongo that if you need to kwenda ukinya Singapore the corruption issues that ilechi inte kuruneje misappropriations chethirikari that was the key principle ningo kwera betrayal mwananchi ya kuigwe nayo na kitu mko na gentile ya applying yayo ni opulence ko show how antongire baraba yeku that tuko na vitu tuna pesa na ningo kwera na dege guthimo na ratiri that we are saying ekeja kothora wengwa mustari jwa mbere kugwa na akaona ni no we need to ensure that antebeto ba tamani kwewa iba tamani wichitera nguge. I'll tell you, you've talked about Kibaki promises jira did despite charge jira to honor in post election. He ensured all those promises were running from the 100 days. Mheshimiwa no witoka teka. But what happened when the current president agotonya office? Rahini gets inchirie, goalpost gets inchirie. Na kiyo tumio kuona mwananchi na arena expectation, your and expectation ni nyingi mono ndikuru ya Karaboga tukoza tuna ambecha mukone I wish gidinyari alingi tuona ambecha na ndi mwanade problem. But mwananchi arena expectation ni nyine kithirikari. But when things itekwewa priorities ile tukwarire mwananchi ile kumutouch ni yakwiguro maruru no tunawantu barana boe nabo bayemuthikira bemuringa irampi na mestikira twathithirie ni kujutonya as a community that you gutonya thirikari neji tutena anambrera gwitetera iki tumiko na mbithukiro chiatura naja anto ba lose a lot of cattle anto bara batethi nene mwankana ndire kwe mtura urathwania kwariria donation iba kuthithia bete baba donetre that ugo no ratere ngombe ngiri 10 kana ngombe ngiri kana akonenkera ku boost economy ako stimulate lakini why uweta nontu inaro kwejana no kubanga nontu mutore we natere community reta we mulimi ng'ombe utaumire iwe yari backbone yokia ya ulimi wa ng'ombe niyo mwana urona ira fi no urona ira byakora byaku nandi no yethero maskini niki donation ni tutugwetari nontu nakomea twita no milioni igana riwa kwejana twari amiri arimba but since by chokanira ara agitate arabari ko what we are saying generally that there is missteps na the moment mutongeria ntwere waki mtu mwega noroera mutongeria tutitite bwaga tutitite bwaga tuchokere ara twerire amiru ibakumia akenya ibakumia ko ute tikuga atre umurengo jo opposition tutina agenda tutina plan in revenge kana maruru of course bititeno ketho ina vedeta ketho na problem when they know to tijana gachagwa na mtobo maniri tebatu
ko at the end of the day to ambali akiwa ya kwamba Kenya kutheta kuraba hapo kutheta especially in Mount Kenya
yes
you are only bitter not to maybe bwa kuingoka gachagwa and not that wina thina na performance ya thirikari rerio honestly only as an individual when Pedro and them more close to my brother Professor Kideki Nkuruki ya Gachagua me have no problem tena thina na haba itanira Gachagua na mheshimiwa the current president ndoa chao isawa wacha wapigane ndoa chao but the question you ask apart from godera bado tuna mtu wetu na mtano wetu mtu mwega muno but deputizing at the wrong time we get an opportunity but deputizing at the wrong time in terms of thina ira humanity na thirikari ichi akamatite is a very clean person na mtu mwega muno mboto tege as a community but now the question is unipomba kuteteka muno ndina ki Professor Kideki karibu sana
Antoa Eric Yakwaria no I don't agree with you
it's an opinion
lakini watala anjendera ya president to be sincere ndiki endelea nenda president yontotu no thai nenda muntu courageous nenda muntu kunde akubwithia bote bwita kugwithwa housing inyamantoa housing ni imwe ya basic need a shelter ni basic need mantu ye education
ukarara mpara ukona irio
Thigeria
mwashima twari
thigeria to thigeria kwire
no mami mwitone
thigeria kwire
ikugwaga
whatever the case nukwenda kuria na nukwenda kurara antwa bibi kwendekana intobina bibi
priority
priority neita no tio bibi kero ibirie bietere bingi no thigeria na ndakura winde okumande kwa chairman wa water yam wa Kefis itu streamline na tukanisia occurrence ya murimi akinyilo ni mbewu imbi iwi contribution kera agriculture twaso kolelia ketheni input irengi cia agriculture kwina strategy wire ya kweria kuolelia kuria market ya bila murimi akurima ndakura ndi kwina market free itore mensini yuna company eku pwita na Kefis kurinjistithirie ndia tatu tengwendia kurinjistithirie company eku yambire kwendia sili dried ito mobilize arimi bangi antu akurio ringite tuma uite wambire kwendia sili ciaku thigeria
oni mwashibwa tekoringa tuma one de mole tekoringa tuma mwashibwa out of
thigeria then ukwenda ambiria company eku we wambiria we kwambiria kumirio na tuwekere program nomba kwendia biaku China iu na company eku ikwandithia mikwasie na ikwasbia bike amwe bikaitangwa bikomwa mutu tukendia China mbesa ciambiria kuia so i contribution ye kwa kinyumura kiri kira agriculture na ni mantu twaritie na wasiri na itukufollow twite twambirie maembe the same itukugura market cia maembe ki contribution ye kwa kira agriculture neu ni contribution ye kwa kiri overall leadership ya President William tukwatanira so akiri education the education ya yitene ndi twambira cie kuma ki the 844 twitete ki Simbi sinsirie to Simbi from CBC to CBE
curriculum based education
so education ya competence based ki competence anaiba kuthomethua na ya na system we Eric kuringa na level eku most likely mono ku atithomara in the ordinary public primary school athomara bonding president ya nera president's working team ya analyze the education sector in Kenya ili kwa analyze the education sector in Kenya yona mbesiri aya wana wa university mbesiri anabonde ba mbesa equally whether engineering ukubwithia whether ubwithia medicine whether ubwithia education whether ubwithia even bachelors ya arts ya education kwa tu mbesa nimwe kwa tu ari mwana kithomo kindi kithirwe ki awe ikia qualify na biasi ayo na mwana atetheru kuringana ketheni muono na ere kimuri masuri muono ke athomerete private school kuma bibia ndina tabito CB bibia mbebe class PP waiwe kethe athomete u na inya wa murinya secondary inya private lakini university urenda muono kwa zinana ntweru akiro tena inya so kwa tuka ende uwe asewe na inya ukawa ambassador ukawa scholarship kidogo ase muono Kenya na muono kuinya lunira kawa no awe nyingi kana kara kwa awe nyingi mno muono mtro tu wesa no awe scholarship nene na awe possibility luni nene kenda no endelea na education this thing no other linda and encourage president ture minister digeria president ture minister wa education nowe ire arita mbere njeni tiwethe warika na that time antu badira cia bagadia yake liba imusie bataita mbere baita university nuntu bwa backlog ya accommodation that time kutari na possibility kethe no ere kubwithia very kubwa mno usoka university it was very difficult ya vice chancellors aboria thina nimbi ba mwira ne accommodation abera accommodation ye kakwila sima mwana arara university atirara nyaga thai musie na ke ya gathoma ya arita ndie riku na ndie then nya brain sound ya mantu ya technical education every area kutuka kwina technical institute nuntu tukwenda antubena technical skills bakwendia nthi na mbere tukolelia tumantu tumwake twatu tukuruta ngui twole nya kuruta ngui ya na india ya technical kenda ntubetu bethebena technical skills sekuruta ngui lakini mbere ki education thaiwa etake universities atongori ba university they are TPs nuntiba kuona riu mbesa consumerate na konsirana ba etaduru neiba kuomba kurun institution kukinya recharge na payment ya staff nambi ne affordable nuntu antuiba kurea kuringana na the affordability institution ni kuona mbesa ikomba kurun so you need a leader who has courage to bring even if like then digeria
education le mona digeria kuongereka moni
kuongela ndike kama kangi kwina kintu kita wa savings savings in Kenya daruto atonyero nenene savings ya kuma 1963 KNSSF ya around 380 billion as we speak today it is almost a trillion besira turomba China ni cia pension yo so kinyaku idea ya daring to shift woko na mtu atura ngwene by the time wa retire ariete ngwene miaka yonde besira kona kwene ira ko like NSSF itana ginya ni ongiria na tinya ngiri manele lakini rende ni percentage of your salary na besira ni siaku ukaigwa murimo iritikie payslip lakini ko wikirwa wa kura si utethie wate lamsa muyomba kubuthe ne account kana wendeleo tumira ya utethia so now as we speak atwetirite kethe project ore kubuthe rironi mausamiti round NSSF through the savings here ni mwe university na bara other private investor babwithia barabarera na yikurwa kuria in there China that's the way people do kwina wendo ta barabara ina jam itaneo wendo ta through expressway they ask ya wenu kwenda kuria na wina ability kuria anturi anjamwine we need a leader who dares to dream we need a leader who dares to bring what people are fearing to do kwina mantu ya free ya medical ya health ya ntu bakenya bethe na access ya medical register in the end to do what kumeitara ke bake aliogopa itara nyuma itara uhuru aliogopa huyo ilifanywa hata testing 4 counties Isiolo Masakos inge county nya haikusa hiyo ikasamba hiyo alisema hapana tutafanya so inyanto bae mudhura nuntu bakundea housing it is true ne pendifikira ritingwe lakini no look at the skyline ya town zetu hizo sensia look what anabaraba kuandikwa ni housing baba kuandikwa ni mwa this affordable housing there are too many they are solving almost all the engineers they are solving architect they are solving even laborers they are solving and tangwe so by the ni by the end of the day ande kiriau these ideas
kuna kintu kimwe kwenda kupata
ende baba angele ni bibarira cia bebare kaskrab
beremburirwa Mheshimiwa ndenda atega the current since now the new model I'm a beneficiary of the old model university ndenda Mheshimiwa etathuru atega the anabarabe university nande the dropout cases zira chiku na achiari baraba kwa mkorea fee na ibangana bateja ndite courses reason imwe unimbukaga Mheshimiwa already akuga thinerereo is a beneficiary of the same model kuma kwendia nguku advantage kuthomithwa na program ile iliku back then nkuria kiuri giakwa why would you deny an opportunity for another kid to benefit the same system or benefit no thirikari na ile kila kitu isano kuria ana tuition fee Mheshimiwa abaithoma university at the university level thirikari teremo because it's a basic right thirikari to ensure that kithomo no mwanka mwana wonde one kithomo na niyo kirari nko ya thirikari iji lakini nande mbira muchiari atina mbecha mukone cha support Mheshimiwa tutariria nara umite fundraising ya kithomo menya no mathina cha tukwaririo acha practically is that there are still problems that's no tukuchanga mbecha cia ugima wa mwiri no tutangira nturere antu beta kutritwa no tucangirana beta thai ngugiti muchemani ukamiti kuchanga mbele cia gwita kuthomithia mutano fulani nturene. These are the issues still chikwa rise niki no nto. Yes, no kwenda ku retain, ku ensure that our universities are ichikwa afloat, but at what expense?
Lakini Eric
ana bangana beta university ango ndo kwaro ndani tikera ni ngwetekaniria utikendire mheshimiwa kamwe. Number 2
thikiria ni ngwire bwana.
Number 2 PS wa education already kiuria in a live stream media, national media, or what costs mwana kuthomithia school.
Yes.
He doesn't know. The government doesn't know what costs mwana kuma primary kuthia school. It's quite, how do you now budget? Mheshimiwa Noture, the highest budget in education. I'm a chair of secondary school and a primary school. Mheshimiwa no ugembirioni magana zairi jete school, but mwana atumiri chiringi 150 school. I'll tell you, no total receiver message. How do you sustain 150?
I think
ya thigeria njeri tu just madam tu ni kuvadi ya thigeria ngure thigeria issues dibure these are global issues as
our global issue kuthomithia
thigeria
becoming a global issue
kutumira global issue ndio atire issues ni kwenda kuolelwa Burundi le ande kutumia rito global ni kwenda global ntomba kwa sana
PS ate komenya imbesi ngana tumira kuthomithia mwana le. How do you budget?
Mheshimiwa re, do you think maybe Kenya antubara president yake maybe bare nini bawe Kenya bobo mfeli na way?
Absolutely.
Because no other, yes, president and very good ideas na tia kuendelea kureje mbere, but the people bare kitebaka stand ya ni bawe more not, of course president ikakwenda mba Kenya kila mahali no mwankedro na antubawe bara bakolele every department. These people are failing him because ketri PSO a whole PS
accounting
kuweta korwa mwana ukiaccountira mwana athoma na mbetse yana kuma primary to university kwa I don't know. We failure number 1. Number 2, ituronere arimo principals barari na Kigoma no Mombasa. Na bawe bakwenda bokuningana abakinyete bakwibwa mbetse ira bakunengera school batekumba ko budget rana. Na the only option that they have right now ni kuongela school fees kile mutiari. For example, arimo baraba na antubara na national schools by rather ingri 53 per year. Dai bagetikirwa kuningana proposal barinkanirite pedro ba egetikirwa with through mutiari akedro akire 88,000. Baraba na mwana with sub county bare ya 40,000. Dai bakedro bakire 82,000. Na mwana on day school akedro mutiari atongela ngiri mwanja na manatandatu ya 67. Don't you think there is a problem somewhere? Because yes, kile national government itonoke budget embeti tiongelo sia education, but thirikari ni therwa ikimbanjetera omwaka kutuika ni kumenya omwaka kuriana bongelekete kuriana bakuongeleka kwiba kuongeleka kutuika budgetera burari no mwaka yo. Of course the bomba gwita no next year no the numbers already ni kuongeleka, because to me I think au no the neri ukethra mbetse lepo kumbadgetera thaino yani numbers ida kwa budgetera last year no sobo kumbadgetera this time the next time bokori ruana no bakuongeleka skuru na kuibangi botoka skuru.
Lakini unjerire nte wetikia I don't think kure minister of planning kana wa national treasury we budgetire yare last no budget ni kindi based budget aya wa kuringana na population yana wonto na ari mwikutho kwina wambari bu yari mwe ba faking ya winana baku ni maneri ni kwenda baitho mana thatu asia mbesi ana wa pa end pa every kid even here then ni member ombundi chairman ombundi ya primary secondary na isibia si ya pa
child. Yes,
kuiti young just globally ku si asensia statistics ya we dena tu ne Kenya for sure imwe no ithira iwu kuwa antu amwe ba wangu ya public but ithira by serious that one can say for sure antu amwe ithira by serious na bati na ibu onto thai musem ni uturara asuo in Kenya school government kabete last year last month between I think 19 na 20 au kai 2022 kutikana boya to yire na shift antu bari awe kuringana na their productivity antu bari awe ti mathaya ritite ngui ni ngui ri kuritire na ni mbi kuonekana kiyo kui ni mantu yeyite na thirikari riku iyi thirikari kuma Mheshimiwa William Ruto ku take over athura muntu wetwa Felix Kosgei ari end of public service. He has been very keen na mantu ya regulators ira windi umo wacio kuwikira regulators inya nontu regulator askuma ngwira gurite gusukuma kinyara ye kaibwa thirikari masinani na ya tetheria nontu with government thirikari nya ketheiwe ndibure theike fees mantu ya mbeu imburite kumya thinera na ngakamata mutharaba yu ukathiata na yura uburite kuthiata ngwira and there is already I can tell you kuma ndu tonya kefis for the first time after very long many years mwaka yu staff wekonira I bonus because of kuma ndu tonya kwina increment ya productivity kwina improvement nya ya income na kurita ngwira burite kuthekirita wikefis na ya recognize na staff wetu ya our bonus nuntu bakurita ngwe mbea you get me so if everybody akarita ngwe ntu turitite fees why would Kenya not go up that is now mathwania oso mutongoria wetu munene wa agriculture mutaiga etite pasato ciake cionthe abere yuitu olelie inathi neri ni atatukomba kurita Kenya ke supermarket kante to yimnya kwaria ni rais ke kubwethia utikuona ende te astika ni rias thikari sabe ya mofas na very large system ukiria mantu kwi mantu amwe ya tukwithikite president yeye nayo umwaka ombere yo atawa ni court system nuntu we are very litigious society we yana kintu antu bakamatu ga kotini na nuntu nukanda kwathikira watho ukara kwendi ukaromia project ira ni muntu mwe bawata nao na bairie project ita nambi for the good of the people in the process buteita limited waita andira serious yonto kweta yonto Singapore the whole system madhwania ya prime minister Lee Kuan Yew kutari na destruction no trindi umba kuendelea tena strong leader ni kwenda strong leader believes in vision akaende vision yake ndo abara around him ba mesukuma kinyethe antu bakaigwa pain but eventually bakawirirwa nyawaita onto China they have a very organized system organized by their party CPC the Communist Party of China. Communist Party of China une organize nyathirikari neo yethero vision ye China te Jinping ni kwina system around system we party so kya kuona rotire Kenya you mete kuraya mno we have to find the way we must collect and get the way na collect the way it will not be very easy no nyatu the twina organizing system Kenya ende party ya kumakano we kusambaratika party ya election ile nge etetakuo no kwina nya possibility the ruling party nyatha yuto kora niyo ni mwane ni broad based so utemnya kwa ni party yongwa so no nto why the way we have psyched our people we must educate our people we must make the people look at the big picture we must know where we are going no nyatu the twena misena to endeti antu when we say na umete kwina muyumbe otura kwa na nyande no aromba ora yene thwane 1988 ate ngombe ikanywe ombe ate nyanki ukura Rwanda ate ngombe ikuiwa even this day when we are in AI age madhwane yata umau madhwani security watura nyaneo nuntu anjende ku niwe irutiro rwaku so we have to have people who are dynamic and tonto erwaki bakuthwania bena idea no ande terere no ande rukwasi no ande mikwasi no ande avocado no ande mario no ande rukwa no rithie mburi no rithie nguku you know Kenya gethitu nyalebo ya witigiria makala uma Tanzania twitigiria Nyeri Uganda Kinyeria Kinyambi no I am asking our universities what are you doing with the research ya ku reduce the cost ya kubwithia nyimwe ya kubwithia produce kaya kwena product iri kombo etambere na bwa ringi kura ni ontobo kuringira antu batina akiri kura baito butongori na assembly ya county assembly kana even national assembly batia na policy kwiro kibaki bia tumirimbita siasa ene kibaki rire antu babu antu ba centru bua siasa ni ndate game bukathura antu ndate babu bwethiria policies itwita mbere bukaria buthurungite nguku until we come up na leaders by visionary leaders be na ability kure nyamunene mutongorio ndi ba muranjire ututeta njira neyi. That is what should happen.
Okay.
In that way, raia yongwa raia Kenya. They need to win the Kenya ni collective thina so nani tubito mi correctwethe munene wari kwa area ku move akathekwa mauru akathekwa moko weta kotini buambiria bu kotini uronge kotini bukaromwa bukaraya kuendelea burabunge kotini koti na bakana injection ngwire karoma itendelea fine tukwa muntu natuka irie atebwithire wara bwithie nontu buiburerwe. So we have to ask ourselves katibera twene oyongwa for in Kenya it is good activist constitution lakini katiba onto utire na oyekene yatetheria ndi itanambere
katiba Kenya is very good but implementation is the problem.
I think watu tutena issue ya laws and implement katiba na sheria yetu kuningani chakorana na government but uti shortcut when you want to shortcut ndio the inekwejera from my view ile kwethero you are the head of government nekethoro nande ogwe for example mheshimiwa na area PPP public private partnership ugeta direct ukaichuzira urokwenda other than opening it to willing global investors for example Adani kuthitha keni kumomara boga gwita keni na mheshimiwa na iji bieni bithongi muno muntu marite ibeta public participation na bageta benchmarkings but now tora yatre with what interest that you decide mtu fulani ukaja kuthithia that mtu fulani uka design that's the ikyo ukora thina ati ndigoro yetu more litigant kana to bedro beta kotini ikatiba empowete we have a very vibrant constitution empowete checks and balances that now to decide that it's a PPP agenda iden kana it's an open menya kan uka mwana ro ko mara uka uganande weta na hapo ita kuroba mbecha uka mwana ndi na ru tukunjura ndamu miro uka me open uka bera nandire tukwenda damu metric ngana na size ngana float a PPP noroka rikuprio benefit kale tukari winya chiringi jire ka chiringi thatu investors baka bid but when you decide ugoka mwana ukeza that's why ona Kenyans bakirwa bodho kuko na tiri there is a shortage kuna ungumania bole aja kuna kati kuna tujugo atiri to all these budgets it's a corruption budgeted processes to take on to bateka move ku budget into pekirite into biao ndenereko ndeneu nande ikyo thina tutotino cho mheshimiwa teti katiba turi nthuku ikaja kuthura mheshimiwa ratu nona itaira na katiba ratu ino. Now, actually, it applies to pay. A democracy countries ira nyingi ina irandula kwa
saupe ndigerian kuire you know here we have a problem in Kenya Kenya decide you to in Kenya today I'm telling you the truth imbendete freedom ni mbeaburu lakini freedom we money too much in the level ya Kenya when the student and development win the student to a transformation nuntu professional kwa dhaine ya socio transformer
yes
ngwe kwa ne transformation bindo merete buru kumanda uma university I've gone to studies see facilitating processes in Tanzania I've gone processes in South Africa 2-year fellowship program 6 weeks program another 18 months 80 months in Tanzania mantu ku facilitate processes ila siumbo tetheria antu basielewa na babwithia kura babwirita kubwithia rimwe ive nazi turitanya ngugurita kuona ngugurita ututumika inya orobwirite utira our challenge kote na challenge ya kubwithia oro kibwithia ubwithi nyaro gwita kubwithia but we do with what we have. So oya kire these on the isiumba kuita na mbere Rwanda today atuita aibu atuita kuromba kutuita kuthoma Rwanda. Why? They have a linda.
That's a dictatorial system.
And digeria nyawa digeria na let me tell you. No Eric digeria please. No digeria.
Framers bakatimera to ni
mheshimiwa.
We need to understand.
No digeria
framers bakatimera to ni
no na reka
bena barena advantage.
Digeria mnya Eric we ukambie bu bantu abantu ba imbere ara basiasa. Bantu basiasa batina bamo. Yes. By the way, they are taking us to the doom. Uro tuendia weruine bako no tuende kiunduine. Nyamuntu mwe there will come a time when all people will be like mad people. Patri mana mtu ten na ndu bako no inandu. Ibo tuli Kenya today. So what we need today in Kenya, ukakole mtu onto Kagame no uwe no mwete dictator. Lakini ndeke bena bia kurabia kwa na bila tukutu kwenda bia kura. Ndeke
ina
digeria ndeke
tell me
digeria ndeke
ina digeria ni kuraba no interfering na my I want anko na go pick bibi rate anko don't tell mheshimiwa bibi rate enda mpereithia uni bigiro kio tumko na kuinterject ndekura just my brother learn how to listen na the to the not nya argument nyingi people don't listen to each other. Welewane hata mtu waku agenda inyo corresponda nyambere wirwa asia urabanga uroka respondi anto awetera mbwari wu respondi so ndikura Kenya thinatu ne Kenya kwina isi ya pulling and pushing ndire itangara kama my friend nya America kinyau netho ina strong leaders baraba hunda the country together ba misukuma na rimwe antu batisukuma bakenda lakini ria ya abua ndi ya abua irantu bawirerio matunda. You know, like now China, it is becoming the most competitive factory world. What did they do? It took China in a serious leaders kuari nora weto wa chairman Mao. Then after that, the next serious leader ni Sendong. The way we have gone in our country, we are close, we are just trading among ourselves. So to Tekura, what do we do? Let us have communism with the Chinese characteristic. What does that mean? Nde to me openi to no communism bwetu lakini burabu to serve ba openi the world ba bere you invest in our country. Companies in America na Europe be ya China. Why? China in infrastructure, China in labor force, price ya labor force ne low, whether they are competitive. But the production up ya dunia, factory dunia. But the mass production at the moment challenge China beneo. It took a lot of time to understand. Rune kubwithia quality products na bibi wetanja bakairinto bibi etanja kenda into bia China bie compare ontomba mtu akora ndetera ki lakini take China. Now China is very serious na system oyo control nuntuva manage mass production. Now they want mass but quality. Mantu yake nda yombe kananda kura ya kwenda organizing system mwina teka bwithwa ni kwenda utongoria bwa ndike then utongoria anti the individual ni president in a party. This party is organizing from the grassroots na ni ku organizing nyantu baba kanominatwa na ba nominator be baitetie weta ande serious yonto China utimnya witi ara utimtu serious withro sunki kumanturene witetie no ke relatione ata wethia ya wari mutongoria witetie along the land kumuturo bara bonde bakadurwa na i system mwende baganete au batu Kenya today ni kwenda gethe mutongoria tu no abwethia amenjaribu ere na Jubilee yarema yundie ayogweturumbie to transcend the time kutuika ni party organizing ni ku organize antu njeri the nyanteto ingito kwaria ni rais kwaria nteto la inteto ite bangi na ite sunki ni yena nteto wambe ni onto manto amatu bwanimbi untuboro kari ubwithia na arua ibutere kotini
antu baitere street ne onto urajen si baitere street ne mwerera finance bureau ya tawa kinye ni sawa nuntu bo kusukuma antu bateka inyumno lakini wa itaneo in another way kwa tuika mathwania ya tena room compare ibu onto kuona ndio onto Ethiopia nuntu ina that strong leadership ibe itenya ba kendo tukuluka we ya the very small country onto Rwanda system siba bwithite na system siweta ituita kuolelia na baba bwithite nyinge consultant baba ngiba mwete Kenya why nuntu Kenya we have a lot of fighting noise.
Okay.
India there is no to follow a plan vision 2030 mutongoria wari wa Kenya ura wa ira Kibaki ya tathi atabubo ya vision 2030 ere angana big four agenda angambi unge yake anabi yake lakini tukwenda one organizing system itukwenda one vision ire kadhiatwa seriously kenda tuma o tweta Singapore.
Okay,
Uni am still stuck. Uni lakini bitikiria tere.
It's not on our side, yeah?
Ngotikiria tere. Uni kwenda kuelewa why Rwanda is agricultural stable imbite kumbeka kudithiria Kenya yetu.
Okay.
I want mheshimiwa you see angwenda kuelewa I'm still also running.
Okay.
Why imbi gutuma tutipo twithira twina product mubunge ugupinga imwananchi utakwenda ako ethro bondo akiri the system kana leadership itiri na structure kana tongire bora buiku butina vision clear na department ila chiku that tugomba kuba twistable.
Okay.
Kwe bongo nagua Florence re kuke akolelia bura tukwarira sinyama nto ambesa si agriculture. In one way 784 billion si education bandu itekwana sekura na bonde mbesa buwa.
Yes.
Aya oya akwina defense. Oya ukwina afya. Oya ukwina counties bakwenda mbesa. Oya parliament ni kwenda. Judiciary ni kwenda. Tu faro tirasi yanyo inazimasa sangirikasa ni backbone ukoona ni mwere inyeliru asiete kurira etina ntobota strike lakini mimi sangirikasa ina TSC ne kamata almost 2 thirds ya nyumura ya budget ya 784 billion nuntu ari mu bakarira bakatheta baskumura bakaombeza so Kenya ni kwenda kari njingi and I hope president akoya nafasi yu kwa mwana nafasi yengi yeru kenda kira nguvu ministry ya gethene agriculture awe nye 7% ire Maputo protocol wa agriculture gwetu either between 7 na 10% ya budget kenda tusukuma mantu ya dams irrigation tusukuma mantu ya extension staff tusukuma ya recharge nya Kenya ke akolelia ku thinking irere o nantu babayo antu be ya bakari over temporary niyo mwanya yuandi onto vision ya Kagame no has ruled this country for 32 years so he has been able likwanyu atongoreti wengwa Singapore almost 30 years so he could plan and implement his plan and follow his plan through Kenya nuntu bakisirani kike continuous campaigning destruction president ya mwaka yu mbere yu mbere kure amarando yu thatu akinya yuena campaignine weta campaignine we waste time ne on saikira Kenya yakire so I don't know nata tukabwithia engineering kana design ya even our governance system kenda tu yana system ikumba ku follow through ne so mass noise as it is today the Kenya tithina yumba kwa attribute ni individual nya ya arambera kenda kubuta the right thing baba nge batumure kabwithia noise rere batikumure kabwithia ni kwenda system kudwa kwenda system ya kuwa this is the way we are going and we have to go this way. That is the route Singapore used. That's the route Malaysia did. That is the route the Rwandese are doing here. This is the route Chinese have done through a system So in Kenya we must develop a system
what stop
which
the
is
current system kintuke mumeru na thikirite babo apart from kuda gituma kira tunakyo ya more 27 years and keep our wengine, but my question is what stop kerere o gituma kiku what stop waziri wa Rozi ku budget ku kira proposal ya budget ya kuinja dams na ngugi endere gituma kiringa.
I think they are underfunded. Simple.
Yes, they are underfunded. Areas ingana chumba gusti. No, ankuria tre imbi kitumo onare gituma giku. What stopped the government to perform with angugiri bati? Because gituma kiringa weekend tu.
Kiringa every day.
Sawa kiringa weekend every day. What stopped the departments run? What stops gituma department run the government? Because what I have to kuitekaniria mheshimiwa, there is a challenge. We all need to understand challenge yetu na chia za katiba yetu inayo ina burden yeo nengutikaniria ikuja na area burden non to bwa counties ikuja na to devolve functions kadha but primary focus ya koni ji the yetu inayo as this country is that we have misappropriation. Tukarea ku address the issue of misappropriation ya resources yetu inacho, tukarea ku address the issue of corruption, tukarea ku address issue ya wage bills in terms of mheshimiwa na ndeno wa governor no mwanka wongere antu 10 na utengo yuba kuita. You mentioned that president no mwanka form committees na abaye mishare mingine ndo nakwenda ku reward. We ended up having increasing budget in department to area, for example state house functions na it stimulate the economy. The issue irato nayo monene, I agree, apart from gituma kulingwa na umenyibo bwingi bwa Kenya na wita itumenyini tutera kumenya antu ba menyere mono ntuno mwanka gituma. The advantage in democracy irato nayo is a price to pay. We had to pay the price ya kwethora nande antu ba bedro bena tibara bari bigitara moi ana banani ba kumenya na iba thomere ko they still asking questions iketo mtukuri atri ivato tukomba ku work on those issues, corruption na niyo wastage ya resource tomba ku save a lot na ikejo priority cha thirikari na chikethora chi right in terms of stimulating the economy. Kugo, if it's agriculture, let kila to amwere could devolve that function needs thirikari ni tigiro regulatory because that is primary focus here. In terms of stimulating the economy, now devolve counties in a children and to devolve wambabu bingina bu. It's become a cycle. Wastage nara ni tutambeche nyingi chumbote.
I agree with you. Now,
yes.
Let's leave it at that.
Kabisa.
Mheshimiwa hata chakula rwa Igembe no tunko na time nithirira kabisa. Rutera rwa Igembe kwina kiuri nkuriri kia mira no tunko menya baba ingi mumibeterete SMS kandi na jia utieterete kuwa manto mira no rokuthithia kendo batethia ni nyingi sana. No yete na ntuba yete na mheshimiwa kendo volele mira na kumenya mira kethra ina ikwa categorized kana kethra ina thina kana thina. At the same time dai tuko na market cia mira nyingi cia ingirwe as much as tukona ya thirikari nireragia kuona twe Djibouti ikarugurwa Somalia ikarugurwa sijui imefikia wapi mheshimiwa, labda utuambie, lakini bado tu ina thina ya kemera na uthai ingutikia ugetekanire nani igita retu ratathoma batu twathomera cuni aciari betu nya batathomi lakini ibomba kuthomethia na nontu bakimera kemera thai mira ni aite kintu akuna nontu becira wona tene kiri mira atichumba kuona thai na rimba mira batina njire gwite kwina cartels ile yao na bado itirona mutethio kana okwirita itono nontu bantu ba mira you now kinya wina gite na uri involved in one way or the other na to kuthithe ku make sure kemera ki utethuka because antu begembe antu batigani barabanda mira bakai there in problems na kemera kiretete thine nyingi sana.
Bwambere ndatumita antu bakefisi bandwezi mantu ya fighto already standing na yera gwithwa na ya gwithio ya identify bibi tumamira nuntu bakuma muno kwa mira mira ri uma nuntu kwethe kwina dry kwina turei twitwa ne matundi ne matundi yekara mira tumirito to mira ekira ironda kukeana fusarium type of fungi yani ya tonya ikairia mira ithena ability okusia tunyevu twa kidogo tu muthetwine kumira kambiria kuma. What is the medicine? Dine ya kintonto fusarium oxygen kana those families dina mnoko treat yenda rotation mirane trick crop so trick crop kutumba kudhamia kwa mpempe kana mbosho. So that is a problem. But there is the way to do it nanga kugatha kwina opportunity ya kuirigate mira lakini ukagwithia munda sio munda gatha boya mtu agwithia munda wake boya akenya mitaro boya rwa mugwaru kwa director munda na kumitaro kwa mitaro no kuendelea kulia na unyevu na munda gatha wandita nyatha ni mite around umunda no the kwina possibility ya kuritini mushe mwingi kwina mushe nyingi these turei tukathira nguvu. But also in that place ni arankua science through our universities na karo baburite kwa test kuya either na variety ingi cia mira kuya na system ya kutreat thina nuntu thinjire mwe kutreat tuenera yumi ontu karitwe ko inyeka ithua kuya na njira kaguria ndawa ira ciumbo tetheria kuthira thina so that one at least nya ukakumnya thina ru ukapambana no treat. So in the name injire mwe go treat ni kwina possibility ya kuirigate union na tuku arenge manto irrigation no itukwenda nya tuwekera mathwania muno serikali saidia muntura mwene nya mirera wengwa akorganize no abwithie kinya ka water harvesting structure kana overroom weye aka harvest nyara no fuira eka maintain nya ekenya kiratasi twitwa twake eka itina bia mira nya itina limited aitongelete u thine ya thira kana amanage kwa tu na kuona mira every time mantu ya market. I'm part of the committee ringi tuira musemno yo atongoria ba Mount Kenya East baba in executive tutirimanite ndera mwesimu aruku wasiri wa public service tafadhali tukwenda issues yetu cia mira cia properly address ni thirikari kuri mira rinda ri mbunge itwaskumire mira irekirwa category ya cash crop and as we speak mira in directorate mira na industrial crops irerung in director at AFA.
Yes.
Na nya muturo ngamirite no direct wetho akwele manto directorate udhuri on behalf tuna mtoto ankangi wakuma kainga kangi wakuma ama ithatu na kwina directorate ko AFA endira na icio mira nya event ikuo indabanganite timbo bakuma AFA bakuma KEFIS bakuma also PCMB be yana mechanism na already kuna discussion obisine ya deputy president Professor Kithure Kindiki nuntu inya professor ai concern manto ya mira so committee we kundiro obisine ya Ndoro Nditi ni itukwaraniria how to come up na njire ya ukiria irimerera mira ndenda thirikari through our MPs betu bawatane bete ki president pamure na batetherie uskuma mbiri ingi ya kadhuri murungi na mbiru in parliament ya kurita mira eritwakiri act ya 1994 ire classify mira ya and drug nuntu mira tika drug nya ni compound ira wa kombeto wa Cathen na Cathenon ira wa nekari over penon isi thera imithe pendawa tuwatanira so for that reason in one way mira ni cash crop in another way mira ni ndawa tuwatanira so I've been fighting this one myself. Another way Joseph Mirei, I've been working with some companies. I'm part of a research team in Meru University. Tuna Professor Duranira, Dr. Patrick Kinyua, and the others. Tuiana na also Professor Aremi and a wing yeke. Tuina njireko process mira. Now there are people I'm starting convention about scientists in Yabakuma, China. lakini tuwe na very structured arrangement nabo nuntu they are very good in abo medicine, and I know mire turi itho ina ndawa cia antibiotics ira ciitho itiritainya bacteria resistant mira indawa yu ntono mira ni rimwe na misunderstood na babara yata ibaso muntu airwe nuntu narire mira twatanira mira properties doping properties cia wikira energy myakwiro energy eneka antu banywa mainto artificial ya drink energy drink mira no with drink utetheria long distance whatever mira no with by the way type imwe mira ne aprosia tateta itore kura ire compound nansa inyento murume iwe antu ta murume etaguru ya ndawere blue akara type iwe mira ikarito mireu ukaura inyo mukoro ku ka boyfriend yaku kara ya musi ukawirirwa nya musi netanda kiku ukairwa mantu ya ende myane baba merenya kau so thai mira na into binge lakini into bi utie wethwari kin ria tware mbunge ninde agure indere tweke ande komitere mira ira tongorotwe ni mwezi mwaka yuyu ndera antu bakemuri itukwenda astande ikwelewa ni mbibiki mira na ibo beire na mira ina mini compounds siumbo tumeka ikethe imwindawa ikethe product mwanya so I want to start conversation na antu bangi lakini unte kwenda kwaria kiroto nkari itara kinya kenda tundiru na antu bena expertise ya mantu ya abo medicine turita nyandawa mirete ana iteliu nibo ntogwa na antu bembe no bandura runtumira that legislative power na opportunity ya kulobe no kama kuna legislation na regulation ila siumbo tuma kimera ke tukithaura na kisukumwa scientifically nuntu eni dhabu ya Kenya yongwa mira will never be enough duniani I tell you mira nyethe at the moment in a bleak future utie kintu kingi kiaru wakyo over coffee ya ruinio kabisa ni kanisa ni everybody woro kona mira kwirera ature kiro anyane makanisa nao lakini ngwe itarimwe kawa karwiro ako muntu rotetherie kawa at global level ni pope wetu Pope Clement no akunda kawa rogo ai nariri mari nyathe guthura kawa ka kete gintu kagore kan komenyu nyayo nkatunyanyika ende nuntu power the moral authority pope ara iria kawa katawa ndino na mire ithuri minya wende te muntu wende yarira mira
very true
te muntu wende urira mira nande yaira ni nuntu ndina kalieto kidogo kaya wesima so nuntu for that reason I'm able to break the stereotype ire kone muntu ori amira yakai muntu otheri kai yakai muntu tusielewa ugo nto nyambe ane wa umboni antu this is our product kinyangita kura mwarwa mwekuru kwa narua ndaendie mirako na tika ndaendie mirako nuntu imira yetu ni also part of a castle estate utira ndo angi benda kurita ugo muntu mwiruta ya lugeke ata nyumwera ata nyandini yake ata muriroke aitoka murire antu abangi utira bu serious utita nuntu ata lugeku nutere nyama thwani yaku so itukwenda batu thai mirei aratu ndimiskumite nyande njau ndimiskumite through systems cia thirikari to make rare bwirite na bwithirwa research lakini ndinkwenda mandate ya ntubege mbe not kenda mpita ara mbunge mbeya na system mbeya na njire kulobe njira na njire uskuma na kwa ministry ya agriculture ministry ya research ministry ile ingi tuikira concerted effort kwi power yende kana beyond lobbying yina energy ya legislation yina energy ya uai neantu uai power neantu endenda yatenya ki wasiri no mwelenka kenda ndikiria lakini udhuru MP you are not apologetic you are there on behalf of the people you are going to represent the issues of the people whether niki parliament whether niki president whether niki minister waskumanje ku au lakini ende ngwe kudhurwa mbundi you are just up you gazette notice today nyaru no thotiku so but when na mandate ya community ni ko aya leverage ya kwaria nuntu ti kwaria ore uwe ore aria on behalf ya antu barabo tumite au baba ingi no baba to me they have no clue they have no idea they have no philosophy they have no interest of the people or they don't know nyo tumba kwa antu gentuti nakyo de muito balunda antu uka muntu ngwinye muyumbe na ati kumba ngwe muyumbe kurengeo mba lakini te muyumbe na no mwetherie muyumbe ombothe nye wa sirio lakini capacity gute wa sirio so tuka blame so by the end of the day ntongwa at a national level itukwenda national conversation about leadership about where are we taking Kenya with ainda duru embe north na embe north ndendo tumira monde onto we China bue nini president we embe north and we embe north turenda kubwithia strategy ya every village in embe north pa na uno mbwithie nuntu when you are elected utura kuria ni we musemno ina sure utiro can distract ndamu yumbe thaire kiembe north every community school will be a real school will be a place ana bathoma muthenya kethe weekend aciari bake guthomera kuo bakathoma technology bakathoma idea bakathoma ni mbibombo kuria kenda to transform our place from place ya thina to from misery to the prosperity and I'm decided and have a plan and have an idea a very clear strategy what we are going to do. I am telling you in the name of in the next 5 years bandura next year kuma August I will not waste time. I know what happens in the Ministry of Agriculture. I know what happens in the Ministry of Water. I know what happens in the Ministry ya Education. Ya uya ngeke akwata ministry boya sionka aki isukum na ibangi boya tukare newsday na nyingi tukakumba kuenga thina nutrition ya murire nambi through affirmative action through negotiating na county government na national government coming up with a program ira yumba kweya ikareta antu amwe yabatethere kimathwania kwatwika birantu bakubwithia bongwani biraba kuona biabua you know I did this work when I was in Mbere yanda ari Mbere yanda ntongote program yetu akamurugu I came to people I spoke with them na buri antore na atabona ina atabona ana atabona na atatumba kwethia tukairita ukene and we did that na 202 nda our TUSO recognition United Nations ini ndari the first Kenyan ku our TUSO ya United Nations person of the year in Kenya nuntu bote the community kudhiria thai ndenda dhurwa nyende pia mimi sio kijana sana ndadhurwa I am also more mature than before so miaka mbithete ndinja ndari skuru na and also am mature more tureketie program ra nyingi so bibi otha ine kubwithia legacy ni kurita antu betu kuma mutolwene tubarite okene tubaende kuntu kwa into kwenda kubwithua I spend that time ntiko tena tama manto maingi thaira bampete ndi mbunge thacweta mbunge na thacia kwithe ndi na antu bako bembe kubathomethia kubangania andikira nya antu bakubangania kenda tu yana programs you touch every village ire bikwendekana Kilera tibi bikwendekana Kirindara bira bikwendekana katwe na mea kandu muru tibi bikwendekana keke yitama tibi bikwendekana kanda bira bikwendekana mutu ati town tibi bikwendekana tuwe na aranje buathine je na ikorio bira bia ugathe ni kamwe tibi bikwendekana na arandoleli so tuye area kwa area tukamurika area ni mbitumbo kuria area kenda antu aguria complain dere murungu baba winti kororia complainete I will always come up with the idea I will always come up with the initiative I will come with the solution antu ambeta ankua tuteta Singapore ni IT kaua tuteta Singapore na to aita kethe kwina thina gautena thina Singapore ga to aita nyata Singapore ni metafa takua tuteta Singapore nya president tikera antu baita ni metafa yakua we want to be like that country but we are not going there we are going to make Kenya to be the barabara imbea tuye na rui tuye na stima security ne menodi njeri bitite ku fix the nere security I am telling you ndeta mbunge thai utie mbuka kana to murume ukaroma kwa mantu a security ringi ndi me fixi once and for all kutuike ikuzobira byamba byonde nka inga barabara ikwenda se security cionde tubwithie antu babe tutubarite okene na antu barithie na antu banywithie na kutubwithie turete ndam na gukwenda sima turete na gukwenda kithomo kiongwa ukethe ndindi jero na kubwithia wake kithomo almost free in day school nimbika ye mbwithia gembe north there's a lot of money yanda ari mbunge antu no mbeno ari mbunge indari kuo tubesa twari kindogo thai mbia cia constituency ni almost 200 million ngwesi ambire cia NGCDF ni cia kubwithia either mantu a security mantu ya education na tumantu tutu nge administration ku portion yembese kya kubango bwa na ura mutongoria kuwa tukenga corruption tukenga misappropriation twataletha bupakind mbesira cia NGCDF ni kwari na mbundire constituency baka allocate more money kwa tuika na bara bembe no utie mwana utithomera at least through secondary education ya day school nonto day school niko kwina na bantu bara baingi na bara baingi bainyele tu muriire then tusoke tuye na program to enhance program ndambiritie ya gembe no the education sustainable education fund ya kufund colleges kwina mbia cie gembe no thi kwamite kwa help ila twambiritie fund through arambi twagwithite mwesimu Ruto na ingi cia CDF cia ku aya awa bia help ila iromba lunire kawaida romba nyingi cia luni yegembe north kendo rikia skuru tukare mwe skuru nuntu aciari bagwa wawari rikia skuru asoke ai muyumbra wendu eta na mikirire urori kuo na akirire kumbesa wite tumeka kaitumairwa ne bangi acia itorero create structure at the constituency level ya committee ya wetiana proposals kana so you can imagine what the leadership within a vision is the iriantu and mbeno thiri na mbia siona batutumaira
mbeto ina cia thai
ile kenywa ina cia thacia ile account ine help kogwa gairi yako gatigite thacia na bakungi na lakini si mbeno ndacoka mbunge I will restart. I will improve that fund.
That fund which akarakari mheshimiwa na is it sustainable like
it is very sustainable the most sustainable ile management ni professionals warikia skuru wona ngwe ambirio tu ambesiri thomethia na bangi why ono ntonda itene thwane riu kinya watu anuku ambesiri otheri yake kwa tu otienjere ucokia kura antu babai kinya bathomi kinya bena ngwe nene batitethacia bangi ende katuthomethie nawe mbesira tuthomethio coki imwe ithomethia na bangi in perpetuity that is a fund in perpetuity na ndari na idea gutiko ti mwana wembe no ukaremwa you know no ntwa guthe twina antu rotten antu batina akiri ciani be yaba demonize even that idea beba be idea ni mbi na ni bwete thetia na baba ingi kura ntwe ncogiria nkatho ambira ugethe tu entweru aki ndikithire skuru fund ire ku ambiritie no ndarombe ndarikia university no ndarombe ndarikia college na no I'm enjoying life kinyanda soke at least nkio siasia you had erikia gua kura na bakun robot of school kubute guthe kwina window ingi ne une creativity mutongoria ndai na creativity na mbese babe ira se batikwenda kura atongoria bambita loans of poverty you want people to be poor kendo batawala and there are many of that type na nuntu bwa that reason batikwenda progress bukaria abo wambiro mwira mantu wa mwana ibumenanire aciarenda urio enkombweke akuri umuringire kura mono kwa muringire kura umutulere maru we yako wangiri ukona ubo ngai.
Thank you much banari tukitwaka rutere ne roro wa Meru ikuthire twakwina airstrip state launch na golf course atithire tuirete thina muno kire Meru some of the Merians ibakuigwa like batiko batara airstrip dai na batiko batara state launch because kuna antu kwaragia abo ari na bambirire state launch take athuki but state launch ne tu president ya kwa Meru akora antu kwimboka na ijiri that's it ameenda seti anaishi Meru lakini kulingana na baba kuona priority ya state tikiathuki lakini ti priority for now for Marians.
Yes, yes.
Bene mantu jange ja maingi ya yuko kwariraga ya ndamwendo that maybe bakithithirwo ya bafaindi kuruki ya state launch kana kinya airstrip. No tutegera kidani airstrip ya Isiolo ukona it's around maybe 52, 55 minutes from Isiolo to Meru. They still think not only kutumira ona kuna ingine hapa Mitongo no tutumirera kana yetho tumirewe Mitongo lakini mbetiri ikethire mantu jangi at the same time kwina advantages are the same not to of course kukwirikana antu bakandikwa antu bakona ngugende all that but according to you we mutongeria what's your opinion?
Ibwaga before jangu choke ko kan chokere mheshimiwa Nkatho muno mji period era no ena good ideas chiki muno inkwaga niki antuba igembe batamwere the second term nonto but we tend to wikira sheria mira ya club nonto kwa push and pull na by the time kwa na goodwill nene muno baitite kuge muno na history kande kwa bakatho yikunere bakatho bena page ya Meru nonto at the end of the day it's a club antu bati ko bakia na out of it lakini nonto bakodoro after bakumara no kona ndo achingia muno na kwa lack of unity atongeria ku fight for what the cause ya Meru igitare au bari na advocacy igwatanirite na ibagwatanaira baka advocate for ira twatura kuga atongerio batukara mwe kinya kethora tutikuonana na wona mutongeria but instance cha Meru chambire kwarirwa because of methen bukia agitator that what they happen igitaria na kuona finally goodwill
Erigindare bishop wunda badoma ninda barombeza sia so inda plero that time by the bambita bishop inda barombeza sia mura kwina thina ya thina nkawata ni thia bari mugura kwa thina mithika ndinturi kathuri murungi rimwe mpuru kabareta amwe tungetha tukenda tuendelea na njera mtu antu batina ngwataniro utibyo bomba kwa safe
so mukoro moyo itagwa mukoro moyo tawa creator no ga keki national government na imbita na principle ile no ndoga keki dirikari te morano ira wetera ugulewa ko bati ku koro kameruma igitara yu ba umbere amiru ba kiro mira i keki yao i club ombe ku iskumenera lakini on tobokodro o utongiria bo chencha nanto bakadha batena aligned to the vision and the dream ya kudura bati ko sustainable igutumite mwankana ndi kuna sheria ere kuna ndi I don't know is take ire mirada hizi kore I don't know atwira stake na whether it's ikaguna Mumeru kaitemo na is really necessary kana tu ni kundoa ya county to counties kana kukiria ku revis ntonde bakwenda ku generate their own revenue and they need also to put an act or a registration out of commercial interest nonto ba ku gain ibo kan nonto ba kyurekio mburia number 1 story ya golf course te ambirie goro ni ari ne gitare I think the munya na it was a really brilliant idea people need to a social way of kuchemania than which as for us who are entrepreneurs making contact na tongere baba it's easier for you to have an area ya ku socialize na kumenyana na ku create connections na contacting nyingi mono na that advantage hine mono kudhirwa mirikona something out of it. My big concern is the state road. You know, the state road is a really restricted area. People say to get Osaka, no, but have a problem. No, mujimu ya mbunge kanda nda dhuro nda ya mbunge nyawoni. You get an easy access when most of the state roads are very really restricted areas. Those are protected areas. Nande we find to ask it's really important to have a state lodge, whereas nande nobody kolia tere reasons just state lodge why state lodge chiakawa. We've talked of Singapore. I think the Prime Minister in only went in official residence. The rest probably work from their their respective mheshimiwa itaira ngugi aria akagurire nyombe weke thini Nairobi kanangi kana arakire agita office newe. Is it really necessary as at now when you have a really problem? I tell you to take with you, because you have other pressing issues in terms of what that resource can support economy ya Mumiru na could address an urgent issue. Non to President Kuma is already 45 minutes with a na choperewe chirole ya 45 minutes engwe tekia if need be ejite trip nyingi murona na ete biashara antobamiru barabe na hoteli naja. Today we have capacity buoy non to bakudroa. There is igitaria leo kwa na conferences na mbi kutakuwa na demand ya kwa hoteli na nande antiba wa hoteli na kuinvest kwa ndire mchemani kweja twale mchemani jo kaoaja tuna beja mchemani antoa mwena wa batika biashara in that region na area kwa to me an issue of state roads, it's really unnecessary for now. Not to why the corner in importance, because really it has really it an impact in towards the really economy ya Mumiru. Non to one, it's a restricted area to teta kurumaganto jamonene to kurumanarwa it's a walk-in at an expense, but it's an economic value you may see it small, that mtu nagitiri kaika kawe kana bagutuwita tunusu ndi iriwe kithoka friends that mtu no ketha kunia chawe mukwanza che mwao akendia na akathomite mwana. Go, there is an economy that is running with the forest na ibakumba kuanda miti na makendelea. The other issue is the airstrip. On a way to kwenda airstrip, on a way there is a need airstrip. There is a need ya communication. That's why you need to inform why airstrip. Why? Because ikeja kutha thaina ndine barakire bachoka kudia public participation. It's coming on this week. Aja. Now already nearly to around almost complete.
Yes.
Airstrip iko toka it's there. It's like there are other agenda because ituende gongnara munda jugitwa tirika jugita mpali makekenyaga conforest kalewa. We also, people are concerned, is this the same way that we create an airstrip and then people start now the parcels the same forest at the treatment issue ya Mumiru. Go, to me, I still feel the airstrip for now.
State roads na kinyayo.
Yeah.
Na kinya.
State roads is it's still an idea that's coming up in Msukumo. Yenye meanza munene. Ana hata kwa Mumiru.
Mheshimiwa
tariki tiki the first ndege karani. And now you see now, because atukuga nonto go kuona thina era twina, of course you want to do a pilot project and you want to do a project iga wetanirwa rito yaku. For example, VPS no geno letter for no robire or this, but you need also to understand there are stakeholders who depend on this parcel. On a leto ya opportunity ingwitikanira mheshimiwa ora akuga akayewa opportunity tieti ome inkurukie bangi but is grace kiewa weri gutumikira mwananchi. You also need to concern and factor concern yao on a leo ku implement a certain project. Ko itekakareja kandi we are doing it because nikifua na ndete kanande kuthira nikoti yarungeka. Since because we are the public participation, they want to do it now. Kugeria ku sanitize what they need. Because if you involve community, if you involve jo mheshimiwa kuga ageta ambile ku involve antu betikanirie. That was when I was Professor Kivutha. I used to involve antu torene, and I was doing a program now that involve anto community they own the entire project bakumenya imbi na advantage ali ona critical nto guys tetronja ku iskuru gwako ande mutiari ate kuerewa kethwa ana bakathoma iro twaka tu protein twaka nyomba ati anto bombe correnti bearing knowing that is a really a very security zone tutokola president Edro, but do we really need every 47 county to have a state road?
Okay, thank you. Maoni yako yako mheshimiwa because tunamalizia.
Bwambere nyamiro bwa batikwenda yo kwa kungi. Amiro bwa ne batumenda yo kwa kungi. We first of all disclaimer, I'm also an environmentalist. But kinya baba kurire kinya saine una America na babangi batumire into bibire environment kenda bakura. Kintu akoraga gitina value president yake akarara tua kuyatua ya kurutangui ni Mount Kenya East. Arutangui Tharaka-Nithi na Meru nontu muntu wendete gutakira antu president utu no etundi. Ake akarara ntuku mwiyire business ira yithurere iri economy ya Meru kwithwa kwina big business nontu aitana entourage ira tige karara State House nka kumba kurara State House babangi na maybe few security ekere international babangi bakarara hoteli iri ya town ya Meru. So ne issue ya kumbalance concern cia environment na concern cia need. Limonti bare ontu nontu nya bora wiyete abwo. Not that untu buni bubuwe. Foka da kwina ngorofu ya kwa da ngorofu antu bake ya ngorofu yete itonga bile bi setha ngorofu. Yete ba create place ya interaction na baka occupy hoteli ile ya Meru town yete ton
batenda dina na golf.
Lakini ende ukiagwa
na State Lodge.
Ende utukona barenda golf ase golf ne antu akuwirirwa. Airstrip ya baba ke be na the indekesi ya ikilandi au sia landi ika easy also the transport. That is my thinking. Ika easy transport baba kumba kwetha bena Saturday flight bakwenda kurara Meru antu abaeta kuma Isiolo kana Gaitu bake akuwe the city ya Meru. Antu Meru is being upgraded also into city. There is city the 60 city kai 70 city there a city. Then a city status.
Yes.
So there is city baba the ita city benda ko yotali Meru baba kalandi au bakara ora terine ya Meru batutira mbesa. Iwe ngene rikura bugwa state lounge neo. State lounge ya the president na ita working tour. President mnyane protect president wengwa ne institution. President ni property estate. So kuthina mno president ya kuma manjasi ni other hotel. Especially I within the country. Nja mimbi no etana karara security risk there are less na ndirare neo e concern manto security yake lakini haya yake the area anto eta kurara hoteli akarara nyumba State Lounge na there a working place. Mina bin biru timbene nyake tuine okora very fast kurengia wakora na Rambu Ngoma antora president yombota haritirangui. So there I have my own issues around there. Kona ringi nubweta kolelia twara ature Meru ri tukaire State Lounge ingi cioko in other places. Meru tukurea tukuwa tukwenda mwitho wetu tutikwenda distraction tutikwenda aria au na uno koroneka nao tukurea twara nimbi tukona in return. Katu egu kwethe ni priority kana priority. Do you have the power your sense resources wiku yau uendi angi? Can you say ntikwenda State Lounge nenkere mbeseu? Can you say ntikwenda airstrip itu nenkere mbeseu ira sioka airstrip Meru? So no nya Meru bongo bolelie baita na asara baita kurea na baita witikiria nuntu everything in life ithwa ina cost so amiru bangu aburite kolea baikipinga baita kotini kurantu benda wetakenda inya gutuika ibaitire ibarere INDU
lakini ri mwashi bate korea interview bionde nontu kabate kwenda bia Meru anto baire nontu bumuito bate kwenda muito juju ito barua no baurie kithaka na anywhere else apart from muito jura ju tu na ju onkake na ju town-ine na ju tethi anto no ju ne nyenyo motsi eto by the way nontu ara kinyo kurukite nutrima na ju au ko na twana tukire thi kona nau
okay now muito ne ju ankonga cha kwa itite bakithoka side barabara ita kithoka
yes
now
akuina na some ground
no
ara kithoka witite ruire
witite barabara ruire muito ugita juju eta no bakwenda wakasti already ibeji tena bate
une ara area era nyumara era etia the lower immense
in fact no ya the nini corridor elephant corridor
now back to concern ira kukare no moshimore we may Meru boma kolega but it will generate a conversation in terms of utilization ya mbecha cha thirikari because onale tukuga Meru baga kana barega there is a conversation should be in terms of what kugatire onale withire rinya. For example, we had presidency, we huge bill tunathina ya katibene turetere muligo munene, of course tuna maradoa maingi. Then there's more resources tuna yori. Why can you stream them towards programs chika ensure so those kind of other than why would ngwitikia president atomba ite state road cha kichonde ente gwitikia mbokuthora period ya working tour akurara inyambuga inyakanithano probably ninka yararite from ira chiakiro nate makosa jayo no tichiakiro from other regime na nyombugire oni history no de mulito history reason as to why state road chiakawa no ntubakutho butaria facilities chomba cutting across the country that the caliber presidency na enteranje yomba wite arrest but since because investors are mheshimiwa problem na tuntotoa akautiri jaga mawaziri no bageta bakara nao because working in Bugiraja it's only 45 minutes na chope yako na kuchoka nguginewe ku although we have a dream to ensure resources jetu ichu ko optimize boga ka igutumira boga there is need only we want to score on a political scenery. We also need to factor, as a reader, you also need to factor resources in that gutumira optimally to achieve dream ya with Singapore. Ngichokia kiore kia with Haiti. You asked why tuna maandamano kwena guni kulewa atongereba kulewa bakalewa no treigwa thirikari emphasize more of gutigana gunism iji na tuturona atongere baraba sponsored because itwetekanirie onare tukugane atongerie ba opposition ba facilitate thirikari ni na monopoly ya violence ikandi tamainaru menye into erwaki ugurire antu frani ebati kugethera antu erwaki right is an example turi no aja uzo ko ekeja kothora thirikari ni na monopoly ya violence ko etomba kia kutega that muchamane joyo kwa antu bagire maiga baga bora ngari ya mtu because all tukaendelea the other day when muthakora ora karine ya PS na is still in the office without suspended. You will also be suspended kuona ni fee the investigation. All right? Ukona ni the other day igoro korone oranto para ora wa komango. The other day no kona urea violence kuendelea. If the state machinery no tipo tuiraga waziri no uga unimbiji o 20 arara nao it tells you that thirikari na intelligent ngani but assuming that taking on toko the kumto thirikari o support karonge uga rodhiaro akuru kando no muchore kai muchore it triggers it kai grow tuagunzi iji chiambire guform as ikundi no already be protected na riria uwa batumira na rurujo tibatumira then batumira opportunity eu guform ngan ikarejora twetire guturia aiti ko that was how I am saying mheshimiwa, unless thirikari itumire machinery yayo stop na ecodem na baraba bago sponsor either if they are MPs for opposition either ni MPs pa thirikari, they need to be brought to book ikara ya kuthi do na ndemo shantori yakire twetite campaign ine withukanyire thai they are doing openly. Imagine no on a clip that like anto bakari ndi goro terine mtu akumara budukewe akamata akaia anto still running Kenya you've not, I will show you kakuona level ya kudura insecurity ni kita to that level that muntu no we joint in enu bolete ntobienu kogoro mtu atonyera na buduki nonge ome pokatunyo kila kituri tumikinye the level that na camera CCTV cheku. Number 2, you've seen askari betaniti na guns bena acrobats bena mititang pare amwe. What does that tell you? It's very risky to turn this country as a banana republic if the current regime, because muntu adirikanairo mutongere arikanairo turikanera antoiria kinonto bo contribution to ones kweshwa mukira kirerete nduke nyingi na kithomithia na baba ingi ikirito giklop tirikanairo andamwira iturite ithirikanairo uria itigite antu begundikaga ko if we don't do that ithirikari titumira machinery that what I was saying, we will not end up in Singapore, we'll be ending up to Haiti.
Thank you.
Yes. That's what my scenario mheshimiwa.
Exactly. Yeah, na ni kintu kithirite kisumbura sana mheshimiwa, ningutike nonete na kinyo by the way no kuromba kura ya imanto ya kuthoya na ya ustura sana because turoko na antu bakiumira na chuma adharani
na maiga
bakiona ni cameras na maiga na no bona o direct tura bwandu ba gwena no bamenya orengania
bambi yetere kansene bedera mochemoro jo kansene beta kwangalatania ba urantu barabeku yes na
but
cameras
what is there, it's a blame game. No tunatore ya kiri opposition no kaibwa thirikari no yo fund antu ba waya thirikari kaibwa thirikari no yo opposition no yo fund antu ba but now no toka held responsible no to kedri thirikari edwe ni opposition ni kawe thirikari. That means mwananchi wa kawaida kana mtu wina siasa cia we ya werera weta kuringa siasa ukumiro ni antu onto abau wethero nya kwengare ku uthukiruka na kwintu kia ukarikira witiwa uri wengwa nontu uti muntu kathiatira mantu jara nontu baiba kuevo nojo ujonga akagwa nojo. But at the end of the day ndiguru ni etu twinde wethero opposition wethero the opposition ndiguru ni etu twinde. What should be done mheshimiwa?
We actually mantu aya ngunism yaya kweni karenji criminal activities yagurite kwa condemned yagurite kwirwa na minister wa interior na agurite kuruta ngwirere yake akaensua isiwe nguns itenda senti mata nisiau nigurite kuwatwa bara captains ba ngunsi bakawatwa bakapu nuntu a country coastline into anake ne very easy.
Very true.
So law and order must be protected. Actually election next year ni murungu na hiyo mnaimbira ntu tukera murungu alitengura tugurita kurita thirikari ni burite minister wa interior na police na mneno police na mneno CID ibaburite kwa serious ambaba ka criminal ba kana sponsors ba criminal ba bakawatwa bakaput into the right place. Kethe ni campaign itusindane campaign antu ibasindane thio wambi wasindwa no wambi ana wasinda no wambi tonyo tongoriene lakini kuentertain amba kuentertain force etumika kiri either kusabundiwa antu it should never be allowed. So for me it should not be allowed. Otherwise campaign ya next year it may be very bad. Toita trendire minya actually antu baendelea uomba kuambiria ngani ili mwantu baambira si anake kinyora waambiririe area kwiria karemwa imo movement ni Kenya nete rimwe several times there has been banned attempt ya Kenya usilined into wrong place. Nomnya the way architecture Kenya the governance system ya Kenya ureri ikituka slide direction you tombo teki miaka engi imingi mno twicokanira look at ndio nto Somalia na antu barake osetha na peace antu baua he democracy lakini ndike akure kweka slide into anarchy it is very difficult to musokia ki nuntu there are also lots of violence ukagolelia ndio nto Somalia ya slide into anarchy in 1991 kuma 1991 up to today Somalia has never recovered.
Very true.
Tende ayari ere wite kiras can develop country ito Libya. Anto Libya batu mure musungu mu America na bange bamutumira boro aganda fio pa morwa up to today it is war in Libya. Bere Libya onto we mwaru mudongo onto yawa urwa na muguro kubuka milioni buka nyumba na milioni diano etebo amberi oturo isa hiyo inchi imeenda sini utonga bo butumairo ibangi enende ibadhinire so Kenya antu abo setha na peace ndene Kenya they have no idea no tiri muntu mo munene kirinde Kenya nobody is greater than this republic.
Very true.
So mantu aku protect yantu ku protect property sio ku save ngandi peace in Kenya iburita kwitha paramount Kenya tuna almost every tribe nindi na boayo Kenya kundi twasambaratika kindo kumisokaniria ndiri mwe ya kintu kimwe it may take even 100 years.
Very true.
Nuntu up to today after independence wonto kuona bamo bakuya bakauanga mulima bakaangaratania antu nantu bakaangaratana no kathia tokoro byuthi atito tuwa nimbi muntu ria arari methene akiria utaibu aibuthetera lakini riu turanjagua kandirengero ino ntunda abutetaira lakini ria arari ya fosu abikanywe na tiraracia lakini ibia ritoka nywene na ire champion wetu so uya antu bamiru babondigirie tafadhali antu be yaibe batue miru ibe babu enteto bugenda kuro bweta kuringa antu banga maiya bweta kuura babangi uwe isiurie ne ate okwedio turo bwaku kenda bukara ro wenda bukara kenda ria uba muntu enesima.
Thank you much. Mheshimiwa ndenda parting shot na oge parting shot siaku mbiguru wa wataro we mbunge ukainga ikutho bira byo thaibye mandu yegi insecurity.
Yes.
Inkwenda tafadhali withrogetura na toka thithia because mandu yegi athirito yakiarirwo sana na twina mbunge of course mwenye ako sahi na yakango yegi ya baditri iremete uterana uterinyero tigania but we don't know what to do anto dai batino bakuthina ntu bangi batete otoro na ntu bangi batete mifugo yo lakini mantu yo yaremete na yakiriura yakiri what will you do? Number 2 mantu ya water denero terero kinyaru ikonto kwethra ko misana kuteroi anto no batura kusumbuka no ntu mantu ya kiroi kutawafanyia nini ipating shot tukethira ya please.
Bwambere security nkamithiria ya insecurity bwambere narakutina access road with the access roads nonto security. Number 2 narakutina network ya communication tuata na communication authority tusukume the first 2 years tuikire communication. Number 3 arithi bara muntu wikirite kiratu no isi yake muinya arithi na turi banteri cia Rwanda tugethe twina conversation nabo pambire uke akuinge kuthoki wamba butia some of the things the end muyumbe isiatetherie ndoka kambio ntura ndokere bulu utiramba beyera area iwe bulu ndoka kambira ndokere kongo kampio utiramba beyera area u ndari mboka kambingi antu gitwa makinya toka nje na thuangu kwitawa nsiru iriere amwathi toka antu gitwa kiani kia saba toka kambi au kwikuro kambi strategically na barabara cia communication yakabwithia ku untu bonekana araka thimwe karingwa information ika flow barabara isawa sawa security agents nabo kwa kuritangwe na security agents kuma DCC OCPD DCI muntu intelligence na OCS ubonde bo atrimana bukabaga nabo at that level araba na thina tutena bi ukaurura bikonekana kenda bakinya na bombo sub community. This thing can be sorted once and for all na tukareo medie kipindi indi na embe mnya tuithina muntura uwa na isi security na burite kwato akelesa na te isi baba ya na ate bayaya na ate rero kuwa uiku batiywa lakini watura bakaiwa na burite kwelesa ntu bembe na ate isi bo security yi na ate isi bo insecurity yi. Then number 3 I don't deal with inkomori nkandiru na ntu aba to amba to bikibiki amba baba kuya petty theft ngori ngoko musie una nyumba that we organize system amona ngao amona national administration system we condition tuone na ate anto baba ka organize ira kubwira program ya village to village no ya enance kutuike anto bongo iba wikaribo karania tuye na productive activities kutuike atura utira anto botheri bakuloit in the village anto baba inge to create many productive activities irasi atumantu bethe bere engage na bethe bere engage utioke thena thasi wetakuia wetho mwambo kaendwe na robwirite ware mapio waitia kanoke na mande antu bange bakendelea bena peace la itu iria bange bendelea na orio basumburite hapana. So that is the way mantu warui ya rui. I was in Tana Water kuiruitwa skuma tubwithia water wells Nyambene iriere Thuru iriere Mukululu area around there is a lot of water underground tuinje water wells water wells ira rwonde ruringwe rukure itangine yonto bia bia ndause sinara rwaro flumba ingravity runywe every corner egembe north na runywe kinyegembe central nuntungu wewe asia na ithima bikenjwa ni constituency central uroke thai muyumbe egembe central dimo encourage to love together thirikari ya allocate mbesa yu through Tana Water Works and Development Agency ruru flow thine tuthamba neneo. Number 2 kuna program wira aendiere ya kuritaru Mount Kenya. Once we have done ruru water wells then we can go and follow up investment ira ya dam around the source of Kadita River ya kuoya runoff ano tubwithire ki pipeline kinene kiendie rui gembe north na kingi ne okay kigunda cia bure kigunda cia Tigania west kigunda cia Tigania east igembe central kenda ruginya gembe north mbati mbere ni ye au then tu olele na kukubua ya Nyambene kwina ura 4 iskumwe hope engineer Eric Wasiri no skumangu will take but you also identify other dams ila president wana akabu the 250 dams then with the queen mweka na ire big ones see that northern zone egembe north with the queen reserve to with the dam equaves this runoff tumbo tumere irrigation nuntu na kutina potential antoba Kenya ibaburi to since madhwania the high potential in Kenya today ni north eastern not na central not na Meru kwa andi mayani untu kwa andi mayani utibingu kaanda na kwa andi Meru utibingu kaanda na potential ni na au lowland areas ibu ontonte ndana na ntetekania na endia ya kubwithia ira yetwa Nyambene game reserve ibu ontonda yaneo nuntura kuwa kenda ya mbafa listeners iriere gwite gwite miunda ya ntobe gembe north na ntobatiania tukabwithia irrigation scheme tuo. By the way, if I become like governor of Meru, I will start a city iriere ndumuru uka plan a new city a new town yena all the infrastructure antu bakathamira nao bakara kwithine Kenya imbonete Kenya yaruno ntuba kura kwase forward thinking Kiambu yonde na kwa kawa ikora itangirwe kwa maplot kwa nyumba. That is a tragedy. Meru yongwa the fertile land of Meru irete ki itangawe ka plot ika building tubwirite kundi congest Meru town tukambiria a new town area the northern zone tukaambiria tauni nao tukaendia skulu nao kukaendwa stima kukaendwa rui mabarabara nyunde kawa itikethue tauni itikethue ngongo cia maia no tibio kaandara atutie kawa na by the way tande ngura nto China they are very organized nyunde angirikasa batetikira cia yoko manyumba yoko nara kura twambiri tauni njaru. I've seen in Egypt town ingitwa Samasek is a new city about 40 years city but well planned uroko na thirikari ambiritie the concert city na mheshimiwa William nasukumite city ambirio ni Kibaki already in university that to quick kuendelea town ni well planned. I think it will be the first smart well planned city in Kenya. So Meru tukwenda tuambiria city area ina less population area etikura kawa area etikura mawa area etikura mira etikura mayani tuambirie livelihood around there tuambirie nyama hoteli nao nuntu area warm antu bawirirwa. So idea water, that is my idea about water. Ruto ku either from Nyambene ka from Mount Kenya ukaendwa ki that new city yaendwa no security ka mbibri up even urithi bubu ngobwa na Embe North. As we go on bambethia muyumbe tutirithia bura tukurithia thai nkenda ku encourage investors barabe barithi bangombe tuambiria a new scheme ira tuita ya feed lot tukawata na together bara iketheka ruga cooperative twabenjera rui na ubari kukethe kwina mboho yo ka kwina ndam na batetherua njira ya feed ya livestock ng'ombe ira ikafatano kwa tu ni biashara tukwendia China nyama tukwendia nyama Middle East kana live animals nara. So we have to rethink tutumba kuendelea wanto uthari na ntwasiukithe urabarithacia gutuika na ibu karithia na mono kwibwa karithia no we must change kinya murithirie yura kenda murithi ura mwene ng'ombe ire no Rwanda gutuika ni biashara lakini tikuonekana tweruakia ng'ombe Rwanda no ni ng'ombe uko harvest in intervals ukarita mbeca iro uka invest in education uka invest in mantu yangi uka invest in urimi bungi kana ekira in another investment ya posterity tiwe ka ng'ombe ucia kuiwa neamba. So that is so I am thinking a whole scheme ya kubwithia total transformation of my constituency na ntikuenda kuthwania bura butukarika Kenya ui ndenda kuthwania what can I facilitate my people of Embe North to do without looking at the neighbor looking at this is what we can do na antu olelia bura tumba kwethia olelia bura umba kwethia wagwithia bura umba kwethia ukethe kunisanisia thina iara otikumba tiera kaimba tiera ithe Yesu alitenguyu lakini rogo etubudhie muntu wewe fanya hiyo hapana complain.
Thank you much. Patrick short yawe
iboga in short tekaramono kambuge woni kuchokia kadho no ntuba ubango juju na baraba tweterete kuchokeria mheshimiwa kadho mono no ntuba biuria na agachokia bionde na kerewa what is really doing kire manto ja kefis na ngutikija mumero akuthomero for this I will follow it up and at least mbethoro inani inko ensure tamiru ronto de mobile pintare ma nchini nara na mheshimiwa that will be something I can as well ididwe practically I will start idwe practically now at least you ubenyenya ku contribution you could once
I promise you my support no tumra timu yetu ya KEPHIS wa kusaidia upange ile inatakikana ya mrende.
Number 2 de Amiru tuna thine muno kuringa kura kutara tongere batupo tutethia history ni got to judge muno if tutumba ku make decision nandi to correct ara roje rumirire rwatirie muhera rwa roje Miru tuagite shimarine muno no ntuboko thora mantuzaja ku happen tutine weta kairi na tutine taste in terms of representation
5 seconds
in terms of representation ko I emphasize that atongere bato kuthura tukathura butongere no emotions na masira onaleto ina maruru charaja ryo na atongere bato nabo ina reto kule biuria tubore biuria na tukarethne kuno tu our conversation that ona leo wejere na kamuromo jwa kuturo atu diria contribution yekumi yake witigere nekari kenda at least tuja kuthuro u mutongiro twatura twikia tutamwigire onto twinira atumo tutamwike no onto turumia kiraturumia but is unfortunate that Mumiru rĩrĩa bangirwe na rĩrĩa onenkanire kantu karumwa mutongirwe atethore na connection nawe kairi no ntware twendi i transaction na twethi otongeria a transaction tutikino togeta it's very important ya miro make a bold move kutara tongeria no ntubwa madidi contribution yao na maono jara benajo na tukadithio miro ni njaga muno miro ni kariboga ningwitikie to mi o utongeria not only kinyo utongeria bwa gavana utongeria bunge it's very important from the MCA mbunge representation okuku mashinani governor awinwe no bati kutegera ukamuthura oro kubati obatere no ro ina maono number 3 ni utongeria bwa iguru it's very important that people need to think uraba kwa responsibility yao amutongeria na ambaire that katiba ni tuete an opportunity not necessarily ilazima mtu aserve hapana you can serve one term you can serve two term but kemaana mono ne ensure that oringiro kura imbio thithiria na inchi uratweranireri ni wothithirie kiki kibati kuthai kiuria ketho tweranire antu weri waki 1 2 3 ne untu weri waki athiri 1 2 3 ketho ati wothithirie then why would I give you another opportunity to serve that is the only thing to bati kuthithia na to athithio tuketha twina an opportunity ya kuthura tongera number 3 ya mwicho Amiru bakara ku involved kisiasa let them be involved kirulingi siasa te tore thuki atongiri beja badikirwe no ntore akuthikira wa minja weta kuringana wave then ukeja kura umwe hu ko utongeria ibu kithomo utongeria ibu rujiro kunywa utongeria ibu mbecira chimuko no utongeria ibu maisha yako.
Thank you.
Yes. Kwani bombere pole nkiwa from the beginning kwenda kwira family ya Ntwanaiva pole nontubo tuani theo ithe muyumbe wegembe north he lost his father kinyethe tusinda na kurene ni musore na ni na ni muturi wegembe north kuwe na barabangi bara iningirif mukuru Ntwanaiva na barabangi na Julius Taitumu kumura pole nontubo ku lose his father na inkumbatakia bethebe na inya yangai iteneri ya umu musiari nyaga thena miaka yana ni musiari bandu na ari musie aiburetha wake ingasia so nawatakia na wale wengine wanalia Gembe North wote nawatakia baraka ya Mungu na nguvu wakati wa ungumu wakati wa machozi so wanataitumu pole ntubu wa kulusi wa ndandi na tunaomba tuko pamoja hii ni mantu wa family mantu ya death that is not about politics kinya tubetha baisinda na siasa ende tikua bure andu kana butina empathy kiri one another so I empathize with the family this time actually kwa inarakati kwa inatongoria for some reason the murendo na kulukira kera tongoria bau na inda anita kipindi ne kugete tangasa ke anda watu asa nikuje asia ntukwiro o nyingi sia kuwa pole kweta kuwa pole imwe siasa ntu endo se siasa ba kwende no uburite kuya bange ba it is not like that we are you really sympathetic are you really empathetic with the person kana ko itete kenda wone kana or you are going there because you are empathizing with the family me I follow my heart many times tu rantu bakuona kaura bakua so antu batu poleni na barabangi nyebo ba believe ntumbo batala marieto kwa marieto bakakua nuro we munene kuinya bangi bumete nyaka mitingi na nyabo nkubera pole like my friend Njakumba abu ntoi member na Lucy tema doke kwenya kamitene nyambabu na family one nkubera pole nuntu bwa utiwa ni the andandi amukurunge munuru mwe kuroke witwa Lucy nwe osu alikuwa hiyo kamati yake pia naambia familia pole nuntu bwa itarira utiwa ni mwendo kani nana kana mwekro mtu kana etheo mtu kana grandfather mtu kana grandmother mtu so poleni.
Thank you.
So I think that is so. Na asante sana Florence nuntuko toa nafasi na kuvumilia tuete rara yangu kwa inauma sinani hiyo tumesikwa na maneno ino mantu na community so we appreciate your program.
Thank you.
Na wambetari ngenkea.
Thank you sana mheshimiwa. Ibo kinyawa nontuko wita nokega na kwithira kiariria miruro abaririe nontu ti kawaida atongerwa baingi wombo beta bariria miro bakira imbene te baba ingi igibindi kimbone te baba ingi muno kyo beta nontu bo andi sana the other atomire kuya kwariria mumiru but thank you nontu ba kuya kwariria mumiru no kamwendete ya maingi yara atikiomba kumenya gitariro te ariti bwana Eric thank you pia nontu ba kuiza
kabisa
umesimamia viatu umevaa vizuri
ngukira iratu bia ngavana mtarajua JR Marete
yes
na iboga nontu nchambe miru na niromba gitikia ngavana na mwathani akinye gitariu ngwitikia ntubeto ba mu support nontu bangwira itirite ya miru na ngwitikia ikagite ikawe maono ijawe na ituriuga the right time na ndene mutongeria JR ayewe gitikia ngavana nyawe atusukume kurudumu tuka kirira kiwa yete amiru na atongeria miaka hiyo yote itu muena ndi practically afanye maneno
okay iba sana bwana JR nontu kinyethro ti umbire kinya no retikiriti na nkoro imwe na moyo yumwe kinyawe kwariria miru only that no watikanire nontu tukiumba kwepuka but Eric awikirira to byaku wega kabisa
na ambira
kamuchamo and thank you muthikiri wa Thire FM na muthikiri Meru TV kinyawe thank you no tubakwithira uria mana batu kumakagita kara twambiririe mwanga thaitu mbakwithira twikinyira muthia SMS ivotometre nyingi kabisa rutere rwa SMS mmetuma mingi sana na kinya rutere rwa Facebook thank you so much no tubakwithira uria mana batu no gutu support kire kibindi ki thank you na mathanete na mbere kwithirwa akikutharimenyera ntromba kwa SMS tienu I'm so sorry but hiyo siku ingine na nkethirwa nkithoma cionthe katuga ibwega sana withirwa no tukubuthongi tuonane rujo rutere rwa Thire FM kwambire kithake rukiri tha kumejire mwanka kithake tha inya kiri mubango joro muri rukiri ukambita njeri wachope
Ngagwe uri mu Kenya muchiacha na nukuria ni kiama kiriko ugatonya gokinyaniria kiroto giaku gichiacha nande kiama kia nopeo ni kirugurite mirango yakio ni untubo waku nande no uchiandikithie no gatuika mukiama wa nopeo uri muchigo waku dial *509# na uthingatire uria umba guchiandikithia ta mukiama wa nopeo kana guchiembiria kiamene kiria uri na gitio kugweria nkoroki no uchiandikithie gukorokera eCitizen kana kiri political party portal gukorokera www.ipms.orpp.or.ke kiama kia nopeo nikio gitongeretie Meru na Kenya ngima chiandikithie narua ta mumemba kiama toriuga nopeo tupande ngazi pamoja. Karibu Embu College, mahali vipaji vinageuka kuwa taaluma. Hapa tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu mwenye ujuzi unaotafutwa duniani leo. Kozi zetu ni pamoja na biashara na uhasibu, kupata msingi imara wa dunia ya fedha na biashara, uandishi, kujenga, kubuni na kuunda suluhisho za kifundi, ususi na urembo kwa ubunifu unaogusa maisha na kuongeza uelendi, upishi, kuleta ujuzi wa mapishi ya kitaalamu na ladha zinazovutia, usimamizi wa utalii, kukuandaa kwa fursa katika sekta ya utalii na huduma, sayansi ya kompyuta na tehema ambapo teknolojia ya kesho inaanza leo, elimu ya udhibiti wa uhalifu, kuchangia usalama na ustawi wa jamii, mhudumu wa afya, wahudumia wengine kwa uelendi na huruma, udereva kwa ujuzi salama na wa kuaminika barabarani. Chagua Embu College. Safari yako ya mafanikio inaanza na hatua moja. Jiunge nasi leo, ututembelee katika mitandao ya kijamii Facebook, Instagram na TikTok ni @Embu College. Embu College, skills to go places.
Yasa, odi anto meru county da Kanithi county, Isiolo county na Kinyambu county ntore dio cionda ciithire kiretie ituri bionde biande bira bimagaruo nkuja na ntato sire na mureo tamatanta jama sono jagi empeke oke atia we ukwenda kwethira wina mantu ukwenda kumenyithia ntu nukwenda track kana ngare arudishu aja ni oturi nini wewe areria antora ndongo na ndongo anto bakwigwe warie tankongi maugene atiri gwakwenda kugire skuru yaku gwakwenda kuthia road show kana kiatho kira kionde kwenda sauti yenene atiri aja tuli na ngare ya road show ira tugukunenkera na maguri jara ya kuguna muko jo waku na kinyawenda tukwejania mona mugi kana na MC sound irere aja nirete onekete kaire kuma ndigoro rombo kuma gitara baroti ko ye gitara banumo ngagucoka kwa Jesu runguro eria igoro na matu na kinyamanga nyoni na ndenjo mo gutoneka engeta eje Limo namba 0725 170 744 uthirogisi gwatira ngari yaku ya road show na kinyoke ya kuthawina kiatho aunja ni oturi turakue nagwe taritho na gutu nini wewe turekane you can read about it in the Daily Express.
Mujiari nukuri niko kaira mwana waku kugwata kithomo kia utia wa kiriu ugakua nkorokaire nuntu Embu College ni atongerete kithomo kia utia na kiobundi Mount Kenya East na Kenya ngima na twina miaka 30 kuma tukwambiriria Embu College mwana waku akegwatira motia makamu bithia kuruta wira kajaga Kenya twina courses ta School of ICT, School of Hospitality and Social Sciences, School of Driving, School of Agriculture and Environmental Studies, School of Engineering, School of Education, School of Accounting and Business, Advanced Healthcare Assistant na Jenge Kathumba. Iandikithie kiri ujukania uri othiete na mbere kiri mutandao gukurukira www.embucollege.ac.ke kana uturingira thimu gukurukira 0741871257 kana 0705761606 kana 0790849934 ni ugwati ugeni gukungwira miaka 30 ya utungata wetu. Embu College, skills to go places.
Chokia rogono.
Chokia ni rogono.
Jokia dogono. Gote muntu te rogono rwawe. Na gote rogono rotitomi okaigwa rukagono. Jumatatu chionde Meru TV tukureterete mubango jojo